pa ma bibi antimi akokama. I wish ba baby amese bia na se bia be 100 meters and I say you are left right na nim so because me so. Ti me say be 2 9 back a a lot of space. How I wish. But it's just to remind the parents do the hustle. The stage is to imagine dia said on the 29th of October. The whole na year konya kushia kwa hodu. Omo beto dwom. Amanya menim ne kure ne yetimi asepe ye ho pa. It's the 29th 4 p.m. SAP. Na just say the church so we know. Nya fe na obetwa na ze o maka for here. We the baby 7. Over na go no ye wi anisa. Ko kwa groups ahodo bebre o ti ebre ni ho sa. Red carpet so kwa no mo beto ahia o no kra enya adwuma ketwa. Ansa na ewura auditorium na mu asa akoto kra enya adwuma ketwa. Enti no na pepepe 29 pa na dem ne ekọ. Menchi a compose me bon kai. Very important. Adom Praise, the choirs edition and ye de brono. Me do man hene kwabna sante free sabre kopem se non kono bebo apemu eye menne wo nyina ya sudue ya kabom afia man kwata makrochem professor Ike Walasom sister Sandy be a guy ewom eye asemidi kanso shem apomode wonsem ehjem ana afa pensem musu shem e mare we say game park for dey bia da o me yesre di ena no pay no non kono wansre a du mienu besre wansre a eye no nsia ade nsia ya mbo nyame so bo enye yida the game park for down by there obasa ase do no nyina ndi why crowd there a we ye bedwam yera Welbeck Kofi Ampadu na day nyina ya no ably supported by Kojo Fojo Dachi Hine and the entire team and driver form there by makeup artists and so Domas or Kwanso Koso control for almost here Domas or Kwanso Koso cry camera and sound and light for the set designers oh yeah almost sorry preoccupy yeah Domas pa because me make us gaga why any pebi na epie mfidie no so mfidie no chiacha mfidie no e ma so timu kama wo so awagibre na wo hwe wo fie no so no ye twa salute say tam ye chia visa wo so nhwa ana wo ntia ye so ye bekasa enye obi amane hwentie mo amuni edidwa no kra de ye damase ma ne bro so ye mo so musika na mode so ya se na mode pian no eno na ema ye so ye ya adefo na etimi nya ahode sonko the energy to keep talking and talking positively most will play key role. Jojame so tonsungu enyuma hodo amoso mu ye nyina no any interested eye adwuma bia so apaso ye part of the bedwam eye animunyam no a obetimi aba no abeso ase na so ye no akọ anim ene Wednesday October ne da etoso mako edunwotwe eno ada na minia Philipos Ebunsu ka che me say I said 2023 a contemporary of the derby Adom enye humobro nti wo de say akontem amawa you have no idea Adom ne humobro if say January ne sha see enye easy sao akonto no wa papa ene dey abedu sa mpempen so we nti ene sa akọ hare so a ne da so ti ase ye be bia ntinkan ya ye da nyame ase ye be kan nuanom so mo da yare sabia hodo ne insori fia hodo nyina no ye be nyina ye be join hands to say whatever the situation is, into Adom Praise, no. As so then yamiasi. And rechi de ya me yon kubi ono so ako kanipa miensa ho aman kwanhia kese akosi wo Kumasi nkran kwaso nipa miensa nyina duka daya. Very sad, they are off. Cool. And one of the things that they be the kawan said, as Omaino, yen revisit issues about towing vehicles on our road. It's very important because Ota yusu Kumasi nkran kwa power of the kwano esu ye tum a wo hu ba bia no wo fa so anadwo dia ene enye kora esu tum apa wo se akronfo ho nsem wom no ekwan na nkasa so ye tum ana afesu ehya hodo so park wo mia hodo bebre a ebi ye curve so ebi so ba bia be poso eti wo furu ya pa na wo hia na afi akofa nsema ba eti anadwo drive na nkasa de asema emu awram ye pa wo man Ghana anadwo shenka wo Kumasi nkran kwanso de yakora ne de omde ya hyenso de bra ka ase de yakora ne de omde ya hyenso de bo hu ne ebu a champon agu sa champon no bo hu ne ebu ka twama na agu edi wo ka na ase no de a champon agu form sa no a champon ya enwura bi a efifi easily okwan ho dubedu na wo champon oh bam wakɔhyɛ car n'ase de ehu ba kokora wonti ase de almost had koba car koba ana sa ya hyɛ so de sɛ ɛhyɛn bi asɛsia na ade asa koba no nso yɛ tum enti de empa na wo de sa koba no yɛ enti wo hu no wo be bank unim sɛ koba bi da wo ka bi ase oh no afro koba na sa akɔhyɛ car n'ase de ɛsɛ ɛyɛ yie wɔn nso ekura hyɛnsodeɛ na wɔn de ma wa hyɛnsodeɛ sɛ wɔyɛ hyɛnsodeɛ ampa triangle ni yɛde si wɔn de si about 10 meters to the car 10 nti wɔn ni bɛ bɔ so no esum so kabi brum na ɔhyɛ ase tiɛsrɛ de bi adam ka me sɛ asɛm si a fa wo ho hyɛm sɛ wo na wo saa tibia ne man kasa na bɛpɛ sɛ ɔman ne bɛtiritu abusuafo bɛtiritu adwuma ne bɛtiritu wa nuanom ne nuamfo bɛtiritu so unya saa solution na unya saa tema ne nko ade a that's how you solve matters of this sort. And we are counting down to Christmas, and that mindset of last days are dangerous. I feel like we are going to be influenced. Unsiesie ushe ubreak nya adwuma unya kwanhyi I feel like we are ne wo vibe Winski nya adwuma nsuo no eto na eto wipe nya adwuma nti afene ne bekwa wie be na we mu nti yan hyase nya ahoboa yan hyase nya ahoboa yan hyase nya ahoboa it's very, very important yan hyase nya ahoboa ahyenkafo titu ne wona ye owners of ahyenkafo no yan hyase nya ahoboa car enwunu o side mirrors ne o drive mirror ni nyina enye papa o tires awe o brake awe wan kasa dum se hye na ade tu kwanye papa afa america tenten baby e hye nso assess nyina so na make say dey yes an come ra shebe you kofa towing vehicle won sem bae eno so ye dey ye amanyo sem ffra interest levels no issue to cause so they be other most of the things we do in this country ye ma amanyo sem di enim kan instead of say a chichire of my Ghana, and that's dangerous continuously. That is very dangerous. Bibia no say am fa amanyo sem am for ho a menye sure so nti ya how nyina no ye solve na amanyo sem kwan so no nti ye kwan obo nze election ba ne ewie kwan bi 2 months na tutu an sha se ne ye kan ya bo nse kan ya ni ha ya kan obi amfiri 2 months na kan ya ba nti ewie sa ba to no nsensem nyina ewie akwan ne kan ya ne o no na nyina aginsem. Let's have a plan. Let's have that love for the country. Said about the ye bia more my Ghana no. Ebe free akoma pam ne benya a lasting or permanent solutions to most of these challenges are here. Maybe our Ghana na me catch us with the NDC with the MPP here. Be worried because even Accra Kumasi Road. Yeni ti ya wie de bia da me kase mu ya na me yonku bi o US no kase very worrying. Ye ti mi wie suku 89. Ebe si sabre Accra Kumasi Road. Abayaba Abanko, Abayaba, Abanko, Abayaba, Abanko, Abayan that's also Accra Kumasi Road is still not done. It's not completed. So that's how we are developing as a country and as a people. The kind of generation that you raise, a generation of the shortcut in Kwano. Generation I did the attempt get rich easy. Generation ye promote. Generation of patriotic. They are not demonstrating any love for this country. A helpless, hopeless generation built on lies, deception, laziness, backbiting in your mind, self-fatter. That is the kind of generation we are building today. So if you are not worried as a Ghanaian, then meaning they're more worried. A generation or no one person will go through any wilderness, but person is Joseph at the end of the day. Just check how Joseph comes in the fast. If you're a Bible-believing person. Because if you don't go through that meal, the 2 me crash on send the Japanese on Sakwana. Managing that 2 me and a Japanese a problem. It's very important. Almost Mebuna Wagana Yinano, or we are Shukupon, or we are vocational, or person 2 minutes. The best catering a year pass of you can say, but you can't just arrive within a second. It's not true. 2 big catering services now. It's not just a 9-day wonder. They've gone through it. It be starting or more fee because we are kiosk to and some nobody a dine kakraka abe catering service. Now we catering also for. How is that possible? It's a cake techniques. And then never. where we vocation school person o pama de ampa eyepa hwase kakra o se there be straight away person just stores be 10 boom na o confess scan way do the one to join sa baby o any MKOGH mu ne kwasinti mu is that correct any jere mu no you have to go through it usua dia as a fitter onko adwuma ntam boss ka no adwa usua dia as a fitter ye ka bibia onte time apa na aba adwuma wo dia ahomti akote wo ho nkofo cars nkwa na wo se no because one sua adwuma na nwie kakra na wo na yes your boss very important adwadifo fa de tronko an di dwa o man Ghana tronko a ade bia nso a foundation ne tronko ntompo no emwa iti young kasano your own enemies. Sometimes I wake up and I'm asking myself, say, Nadia, you say no one. Why are we expecting, say, a year calling sa nyomani go emubeti? Ko numzubi what true atu. It was also I could blame about say, Anna on timinti or don on timin. The one kasa numsuni we, you know. Ya assembly since so say nyoma spring up or kwan ho kiosk ni nyoma kesi eye permanent o money tria. No, my obi sini dan a ye nyina agata nsuo fam no timi di nanwea o tipo nanwea gu sa agata ni block anwea no e block kwan half no tipo ne na abo na e block kwan Ghana fo nyina fo no ono nanwea na o do ye na de no afa half obi a ntimi nkawe wasa block gata no wi a on ti gata no kran sanka ho na nsuo ba na sa be pem na yi fa na yi fa nyina obi a nkawe obi swimming pool obie ahuruma or the two main road nim na afa ho na tutu kwan ni nyina area ofo ni nyina obi anwu o say papa di nkana semu na wana nkoka sa papa na yan kana sem na o say kwan na wo be complain say contractor ni ye kwan wanye ni wo wanka no wana nkoka it's unfortunate and nepa Ghana pa kwa abeduma ni pa da so wakiluto ene Ghana be kopa na ni pa wakiluto working hours anopa nonkono wo adwom tu eye prem to bre waje bre wa kilo tu bibia are correct there. So why are we complaining? We have too much trust in letters, NDC, MPP, too much trust. Or man say in a meritocracy in Ejuma, who had the structure of even the public civil service. Now to whom you know, Obi or Sefata say you're born a basso, it doesn't come. If you are not affiliated to a certain group of people or a certain political party or a certain whatever, oh no, promotion, and no akatian to and they were to crowd to be cried, Jumano himself no. With the self what I say they win echo. A bad Jum Debbie, home kayo. Walk out, no Mabaku in Ababa Cantun Kubi. So we are losing out as a country. Unocracy and the tribalism. Kasa fin. Kasa enya papa. Eyo na to omano na nipa titiri de ya amanyosem. No de ye eye abusuasem. Ade a efefiri wonu ma bebetima ma oman abo. Eno ne yeso sisi. Ye no an say na amen na de also TV so radio kinkan paper ko ba bia Ghana fo ade hye pa. Say ye nyitwini adoa. De ato ya na didi atem, de ato ya. Di atem sa afiti anopa. Ekusi enyumre na didi atem aso will be problem da etua school fees edidi atem etua school fees edidi atem atim di 1 kilometer abeka ukrom kwan ho amya ya wi na edidi atem every political party I say I don't know the power no or person the deception or person the lies or person the all manner of evil acts and maintain the power the opposition is no we lose the conscience. Adiani ya cross here, bibia basa, just because of power, at the expense of all of us. Until they be a catch when people know when this is a problem crowd, because you pay for now. Muna moba cost to managing in terms of more leadership. Until dear mo yeno, mo say unsu so no, e ba ye mu dodo na so. You should be problem-solving and oriented personalities, not just your tea that's a brand new my cross. The Biamo Banama Tunium Crow, they are trained. A page home now could do papers, so be a crying who be that. A be rich, right? Ye wi akire ha ya na afia kwa ensem bebre. Adwuma ho asem kura adwuma. It's not about who are qualified to be there. It's about what political party. It's a card-bearing member of NDC and MPP. Who cry security services no. They are not careful. And Chebiabo na you bet my identify security MPP, security NDC. Now my bena a national asset is ano. Yetimi dividing with MPP NDC any. Ne ekoko ama Ghana wan ekoko. Ura your court so a ye bail senior registrars no do na movement people. No correct cannot perform. We are not encouraging truthfulness, honesty. We are not. We are not encouraging truthfulness and honesty. The love for the country and being patriotic for Mother Ghana. We are not. We are becoming a bunch of dishonest people. Our levels of impunity no graph in Koswa and Ekosro. Yeah, you are not going to say to you, the account empty an account. You can't say what chichi and Cheba Bijina Wankasa. That time we should be a few. When you open up this country, we are losing or we've lost our identity as Ghanaians. BBI are copying from the outside world and the negative ones, of course. Everything that we are doing in this country, we are copying. Yanka say, yeah, life, Kwanya, touch me, baby. And I come for his car, what was that? I don't need a family everywhere we go. Yanka say, the identity, yeah, life, yeah, Kwanya. Yanka say, Adriana, the Debbie, on my own identity, and you're funny, you don't see it. Yanka say, Adriana, we are losing our identity. You know, ye aduane fetri dechi benku nkruma yi hausa koko ya say you be the answer no so no na ya ankase adopt abrofo de no omo ya na nwuna enye organic no ma yakofe no ya ankase ahosiesie and then mabunu dodo na they are showing their boxer shorts and so bad ben dodo na so ye fi what dress no the boxer shorts na edane to ase, and that's what we are encouraging in this country. Ya the court church now, ya the court church. Is that the Ghanaian? Is that the Ghanaian? And we are losing out. We are losing out. I say every Daniel Dan Hubi, but not for this service of no man sympathy. Every Daniel Hubi improve your system, but not for this kind of attitude. A country built on lies, woe unto us. A country built on deception, where journalists think that they are superhumans, woe unto us. Where people who are supposed to serve us, you are rather serving them. Woe unto us. Yenwe na yegyina ya mfensa anto dex ne so anche kire o man Ghana. Se miam ya hodo bebre obako na hospital facility ne kwa doctor cry to man the place is difficult. A nurse for na nkasa suni omban. Ura teacher for binim no hwe ne ye ne ankeka omde kire nkora there. They are rather poisoning our kids. They are poisoning their mindset. The teacher needs in the classroom. No cancer ma kesia eye ntro a woni faso e kire nkwada nketenkete akohwesem kwa teacher for you take political sides. Your job is to teach, but not to do politics in the classroom. Teacher for do na o than the political science teachers. Kwa no mu chinchim nkwada na dwene fa wrong way. Ade na ese se o kire de there bi. Teacher for now resorted to alewa turn jollof turn classroom. Work teaching hours or turn jollof or turn alewa or turn ice cream. Everything is breaking down, and we are all looking on. Well, my catch order that and I quite the only say I was a penny I go can see apomodem tidbits e honum. Nti ye be kwa try ho aba. Ye ba there's more to talk about. Ye kwaba. I told you made so as my man cow says some would to you the broadcast and be bre my ho kwan ana mede bro. Ye shots here the find the broadcast say 1D 1F President Commissions Phase 2 of Sinotrax Assembly Plant and who the find the broadcast and Margins Group KGL donate 1.4 million to MOBA 83. Anna any man will say adia yapa na mekan wasimano pay or say 1,668 killed in road crashes between January and September 2023. Into Udofuma Otia say how painful some of these avoidable situations na ya ACCA adwin pa 31 suspected commercial sex workers, human traffickers arrested in Western region. Where they were in the union, na make kakras easily go kwade say 13 14 for abeshim. Ko Western region pose for to almost sir. Said to no ebekwa akosisen. The publisher the new publisher say Duncan Williams is to Danaba quit National Cathedral job over unedited public funds. And once them a year the new publisher. The Ghanaian Times say limited voter registration exercise. EC captures 910,996 voters, exceeds 700,000 target by 200,000. And any man so we are in Funyina down see Ghana man paying His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Trade Minister, Nimyan for Katie Hammond, and after China, one is an enemy a sign track for no, only see an Oba Bakoha, no so all chairman paying was President inaugurates second phase Sinotrack assembly plant at Katamanso. And also wants some Ewahan say. And a young person suffering from mental health in Ghana, alarming. Dr. Penyipa Ekremet na aka say the Ghana mabunu do na omadwene. Insisi yi eyade a ehadwen kese pa. The Ghanaian publisher say Ghana's balance sheet looking good. Controller kasa. Sika se monto to end the office baby and na me dey out say kakrakra akokobanu musu ekononim yi pa. EC registers 910,996 new voters. And what some say, and once guarantor system abolished. O kona kochu dia, unza na esi for dance for bra musu enche bia easy for no. O show mo kasa nim dia enche bia no. O musu say in kwesi yi free honum. Oba ni man so say Doma East MP calls for calm ahead of MPP presidential primary and also wasem our daily guide yedi page emu any makakraka say guarantor abusers will be jailed mo amudi adanse ma for church o mudi anya ne kwan so ni pa o mara chwendi no se bi onye Ghana ni ana on sem fata so be chwendi na wakoya agudi adanse minim kwa of akwachi minim ni pa o piaro minim ni pa won se piaro so no ni ma be to si nkrata na ofila akudi adanse ma anya papa eso no akoginem so nim pa electoral commission for say ha enche bia dodo na afiase sura mbako akogu honum Nana opens new Sinotrack plant and yaka wasem dada ana fira of paying pa Duncan Williams ana Eastwood anaba asofum paying for anyway cathedral ehon ensensem no board normatis no so omatwom ho afrimo any man so say can a special prosecutor also accuse you any special prosecutor no of public deception and wasem aba daily guide the obokratem ya see am say ba say the bekono oba online an interesting one. Not every leader is a thief and you can phobia na ekronfo mo kasa dodo mo mompae ma oman no. This is the president of Kasache Christian Council. Debbie. Not every leader is a thief. Pray for the nation. Akufo-Addo to Christian Council. Afroba local news are missing excavators. Seth Mante finally breaks silence and also had him say, Speaker Bagman leads delegation to commensurate with E.T. Mensah's family. Anna Kesipa Deniman so say 1D 1F. Akufo-Addo commissions Sinotrack phase 2 assembly plan. Beginning say Maka and once a match show. And then Mape Flood, Adom brands. And so Yetimia are mobilizing your kakra multimedia group in the Adom brands. Are mobilizing your kakra any animal so more and Wakoka Gemuno. A day so I say it's not enough. But as a CA, now also I will share now with you. Say, oh, yeah, I buy any dear member of parliament, any dear. So also as also your dear now the boy doing nana. This is the time to show love. In himself, via referred to an amount power almost more boy, but it's time to still show love. Ghana Police Service cannot be anything to me, cannot do anything to me. COP Alex, also Gusu or Casano, also Gusu, also Cas. Adom praise. Yebehim Mesha Siana na make October 29 and the Empire when Yamen Kunku Bafa na akọ because asa ekodini asida de koma nyame no kwa akua hodo bebre na akasi ani a omde sa eye Adom praise bro 70 Ghana cedi e sha ase no na pepepe na bibia na me kwa so na red carpet na e ball kwa afọ nyum kama wa main auditorium na anyum no sisi so na bibia kwa kama e de ma maternity paternity bill presented to parliament and also one sem e wo hanim say na afi dia kan a titru for onyamensa wo mo so kese wo man Ghana mu asofo mpanyimfo a na mo ka cathedral board no ho no and they the krata ma mpanyim said Duncan Williams is to Anaba resigned from National Cathedral Board and who asem and almost and online so dia bro me dey see am say makacho say me koso da wase say wo jibre na wo hwe bedwem on Adom TV multi TV so osofo chief Mighty Chapel nyame aduma who host to one of our best sound guys no the wedding this Saturday and Sunday osofo chief many minister Ampedu sister Sandy be a guy ye PRO wofa kwache do don asadom evangelist kwache ebeba abetai osmosis achi ebra osofo chief wankase wa ma ho kwan na nyame so ma ho kwan se yen ka one ne ho kani embom ewo wasori Mighty Chapel mu ti eba betai wachi abibia akokama yeko Professor Ike Wallace right crowd or the abukensi unsem ebro.
Right. Fantastic morning. Busia Esamu Akwaba. Ediba bedroom so. Na sane ye warm up rotum say baby uba. Enwunwe but uba. And of course Empire na eja ye dey brother 29th Empire na eja. Na ohwesane enema esi ekono a. Ade no bed bed denti start ye warm up on the day na efa ho gym ni pansahwe na sane afeye na kwa edition no kwa edition just a kwa afo nye kwe kwa kwa ti share de we say asori bia yamwo kwa kese de eba no celebrities ahodo anyomtofo efi asori ni mapie no eso ebe minister on the night nti Empire na edwa okopie mu ewo voice of trans Edwin that's him na eba Edwin that's on city praise for na eba destiny songs near fake grace na eba bamba kofi pepra ne multimedia kwa kofi pepra so o kan news or multimedia nti kofi pepra so ba beto nwom ne ade PCS that's on the new song if you Pentecost baba Cedar Mountain kwa ne Joe Metal bobody make ma bossa amenye sports no mapon iti brantam na yemfa embom ni ade ante na ye kadum praise on some e de kire na ise kwan bia so ye ready abejo ticket ni nyina yakwa bom na bibia atimi akoye yes game park games mo kan one open ne some na de brewo anti me di gusu na me peska kra me de ekoko jimani wo Adom praise ase say to bi wo sana omotumi no akoto ogu omo ti me show the game pack me the gym pick 1 and pick 4 for ho gym ni pansa hwe omo kan one up in and some na there bro richoko and one na si mani mu ya be bia me wi a me bobo na de fofraba me wi a na ma bobo na de fofraba enti 2 days na me dia finish we dey bia na me we ni my ta ti me wi sa me kwakoto aso enti anopa bia ma san kan richoko san se no na ma energy no ama otimi edi ayedwuma no say na machi ya he Black Stars game nyina no richoko simi China ye hye nyina na menom ye hye nyina na menom sasa manum richoko avim no beti akọ na richoko kama pa ne ade anyuma koi edi esi akonkon na eden samra de bro Sergio Manucho Bernard Paribo twe me producer samo kam ho no pa eden samra de ba kejo na nkasa ne Eric Ase everybody mesha say de fi Black Stars wow then second friendly game I dey pem so I bosomi ye no amfa pacho USA so achia no me kan nan a yantumi ante ne mo ye ho peace airport a anya sam keto akra back to back defeats and I Christian I china I bench amagana anya but yam mo nra game ni mansa ne ento aso Black Stars na after some Mexico no me yemi no USA for so achia no me nan ye say Sunday ba ko hye bia weekend yakra ye bi di bedu say ekwa enim kakra fi 2 ni akọ 4 think say we mass no yakọ 4 ni next we be call 6 ni akọ 8 ni akọ 10 e gro ho ye gu ya me ya ni magu ase in November ye hwese World Cup qualifier betwa so and on Ghana next game ye be pem so te channel staff mame after the game coach Chris Hilton chere say we sorry Jordan ayo also say more time kakra afi no mu hu mo ne ade but fans be head game ni bi so and ye reporters e copy mo ho e kasa chere o madwen se no mo game no.
That's a game they new. Game because the way I support it, media to come and support the crowd now. You know what I'm saying? Support the to support our people now. I mean, we don't know what's going on. If this is the team that we have there, then I really don't know, sir. You know, I don't think that we have a future.
Give me the answer. You go for a character. Because you put it here. And you goalkeeper of you too much.
Your future now.
Your future there, you will check it.
My money, be said. The way pan and you must say. Ghana, they decided to America, so they say America. I can't want to come spell Ghana, man. Oh, wait, yeah.
You will be a year over. A year. It's a poor performance, man. We should check out before we go to the Nations Cup. Believe me, because I don't think our boys are just playing like they're not professionals. See, they jitter on the field. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. They need to prepare well before we go to the.
Right. And here, only the fans maybe the two draft after the game, and you're doing Immortal Ajakwa champion, and of course maybe Samano American Bogus, Papa Maestro. To me say three Musketeers. I'm going America boss na. But me who the also America GamePackGames.com. Obe the home shema fa ho jimuntem na channel ejo. Crofo diska go mbotompa anyasam keto akra GamePackGames.com Richoko and so your sponsors and opam can wide in some idea bro. Can shane so mame say we can a day anywhere there some perfect fitness and fun festival a basso war a Accra Academy School Parks and a FBA no the last time it was in 2016. Here, Biacha Pante, back big and better with a bang. And some Ketua Kefe clubs a hodwa, a war a young crane, a can one boom, the Adremua, games a hodwa near the football, no swallow, Nasque, and be Biet Makuye, and a ballot and basso, yet Tia, no chile, a basso. Again, groups a hold on the BP, more be a betcha, win, a bebo, win, a beba, Nanya some Ketua Crayon.
After so many years, Fitness and Fun Festival called Break Accra. Assign back with a bank Empire na Asia. I was 21st Basso Accra Academy and send ya ballot in a way na for teams a hold on a start your boy chile second be on a bed and yasam get to Accra. So Sheme Sisia ya tonsa frose memenda Asia or Accra Academy Park and so na yemfa and womo Kife clubs a hold one kind and on my come one boomwa. Woman de side my dear bass and perfect may spearhead yane multimedia group na yabema makasaka crache or maniswa dihuno what they are expecting or ASI games he won a resident 170 yeah drawn away you know na West Stars woman to win stars and a bebo na Mamponse Kife Club woman Native FC Supporters Union KG Kife Club any Focus Kife Club and Odona Plot 2 any Awoshi Kife Club and a bebo na Ali Jara and so any Chokot and Pico. How more enough for and the Bayer Pani and the na face or die supporters in another call Kife Club so at the Apim so Adenta New Legon any future leaders FC now Donna Garage and so any Yellow Fan Club at the Abweni we Nisani after draw no fixtures Nisi Koya ya him somebody be pim so I say Ghana Africa happen obi anyo obi a e ball poke crowd ofimu na fe final no ya de ahyehyɛ so den pa anyasam keto akra teams ning na ya represented ne e wo draw ya say ya de apim so ya be mo makasa na o ma kyerɛ sɛ ne mo hu draw no na yakoye ni mo so hanom chairman within the same
from Sabato
all the team bene bane
Future Leaders Keep Fit Club.
Future Leaders.
Yes.
Draw no I concern the man who is saying.
We the fala mami. Who say start ye we no krano. Media no mudi kan ye first. Lecturer say my inshira. 2016 no me na midi second.
Okay.
Tinyanko pandom this time around me be the first.
Ne me de nyame ase. Saade we ye be winni. Ye be make sure say winni bebem. Ama bia yoku.
We're defending champions.
Yeah, we are defending champions, and I have to now. No, yeah, fish choco. But when we say choco, Ali Jara, I call it to say Ghana in Nigeria.
Okay.
And Tina, I to say we are choco fuck up. No, to say Ali Jara, dance some alpha. And he eventually say you don't be ball game, you get very competitive.
Wow.
Grown the this big guys who been there.
Okay.
And yeah, but and I the first time here about ball game we be. And so the tournament say the boy. And when he say fa because he to me and he expect he say we have fun fala send me brand can so this second second passion na fana ko baby
let me say 2016 yeah so yeah be participate bisa you winning about 4 or 5
medals
until this time no so no me sure say me call for me wagide wo mumu me no mutimi ye enti me no me yobu bebre agro ne for me dru ana ye bewe
to doko na academy so de e faculty ade o fe dia won say ye spata say we ti embragi bebre so na okasa go ne for mu ye be chesa go ne for o say as a host and win yes e be simple o say mbo amud cap nko amaye ati say to 16 mu ko ball nu e ko away ti ma ye na ye husu kakra ba fe de be fin so to doko for so be to ne bo ase
Saturday we are anopano ye the walk no e hyase de fia semper fam your premises e okukume fan of first street en kan no say numu ya hotel street oba ha na ye say wa be hyan ni nyina ya bom pempen kakra kakra sa de akopiem e wo Accra Academy Park nti this year's no fitness and fun festival no promise to be a very exciting one it will be a modern say obetimi de no hagim me end no na ye de ballot na pems no ye ka who no majesu hurry who hooray
right into live some perfect fitness and fun festival yatiano enti ye hwene mo say weekend ye be hia wo Accra Academy Park ne sort ye hia ne hwebom na bibia ntimi enko ye ena anopai ye mbowra mu wo Songo Steak na ye hwe the man Patrick Osageman de by na anopai I can guess me to be the madwan fa ho a kire the fireman tuja e dia fa na anopai fantastic fireman ye mo akwa ba de ba I will can see you na anopai na Songo Steak de na ye hwe
now what you try to verify I don't make be a verify
hello fire ultimenka Songo Steak na ade na wo de brain yemfa hina yemfa Ingram abusa oguso hwa can see live on Adom TV ye hwe se be borom ye de Songo Steak abro hane so ma me Richoko kan ho na ye de brewo Richoko de ye Richoko etim so ane asore ana pa we started day na Richoko na esa onom na ma day no etimi koyi e de ma ho se day ne be koyi asa na be hyase anopa na be mo akọ ho hyehye na akọ start anopa dollar sa na de be do sa na awi ni ade ana do na egu 4 they say the Black Stars age 4 e dey show mo yinti channel so sa family sa so da gamepackgames.com pick one and pick 4 or pick one number na so pick 4 numbers na what is ka e dey go bottom fireman otemenka dey mi susu say o fire fa no ana say na otome atwene
and ya ususu no 5 seconds bi ana kuma hwe say no ana ususu a ana say ne wo eni amede ba na o de ba say ja ususu ne ya ususu no nti by 5 seconds we na be say asase de kwa be kire me say no
I'm say Obama fire voice na kosra ma maintain nkan ye papa but I just you know Black Stars akoluzu 4 idie na chese me dan fire e hwa na beto afa
what's okay there now they say yes boss Black Stars be this card do alcohol what you say yes boss here Ghana Black Stars ball be this card do alcohol Emma sports minister nyabidi Emma every president didn't call for nyabidi in the name of Black Stars yeah the taxpayers money ebeja wo mu kwa mo tournament wo mako chedi wo mu yo magu ani mase ya ria ka ho enti it will be Black Stars first you understand but it's so sad enya about US say 4 enya about Mexico say 2 friendly matches what you say goals what has to go back okura where to me and 2 friendly matches. You understand? So called football people need sports minister no makambum. And now your football, your Black Stars, you know, omudidi wo hu no mo say no. Aye simple. Omuko holidays. Black Stars in so nye. You understand? At the time I hear see a bit me aye you good scouting, near far players. Your talent will go Ghana how goalkeepers you good. Omoko try second goalkeeper manaf and was J4 no. First keeper no nyadie kura atizi into first keeper nyadie. Now we try second keeper no so nyadie kura dia na say what is the sense of say Black Stars no. I mean your goalkeepers you do omoko tournament you nim so nyadie and national team to do they would hear good goalkeepers. You will local talent goalkeepers. You will goalkeepers who Africa, who Ghana for who bobo African continent in and our countries in Europe it's a local goalkeepers. You Ghana Hankasa. You understand? You defenders and yet the same defenders. Say, I mean, defenders are what you do Danu Muplanti. Defenders ni be a woman mano. Any woman ya free woman. Woman are correct defenders. Agency defenders. What as official players. Sa selection. Official. I'm in charge selection. Sa agency selection. And then of course defenders krana move ye fees o mu ye papa na o mantimi amu o piano krana how well no mu ye papa na sa defenders we Ghana edin kese enko na modi high P players more over high P players kwa we don't see our midfielders, we don't see our strikers. Ghana with talent and with players selection a problem. We need a top manager. Yeah, manager will bet me yes, our players and players are and your officials players are almost self at a base of merit. We need a manager. Blasters is not exciting. No, BPN papa or Blasters, you see. No more yanis no more the tournament, no more double friendly matches, no more the who's the geddy. No man, you soon your breath. What you say? Blasters have got 2 matches, friendly matches for US. Ning na go back to cry and share. US 4 Mexico share 2. What ya journalists also muka no kureno womu bedi team neti enya womu emphasis but at the end of the day team ni best say team ni team J cap team ni team mobo ye team ni team nyankoso but they can't say it. So called football people ni sports ministry or minister woma to bia don't wanna yes and you bia no meet me at all woma to bia because senior Blasters in Korea as a job for person who dear chino. Minima de crow mudia chili. Team nin Koye, team nin ye, and yet, team nin yes, so more than 3 years, more than 4 years, more than 5 years. Blasters more papabia now for managers who message system manager so or nyadie. They see what will be able to say. Blasters in team and Blasters ball passing no creativity no they are not hungry creativity be any hot they are not hungry style of play papa bia they don't have any style of play Blasters Afcon the enemy Generally, your minister, sports minister, or the deal of Blasters or you see Mustafa Blasters or the deal of but Blasters in Koye, what the Blasters are called Afcon 2 times in Yare, World Cup Yare. January, Sir Afcon, we have a Yama sports minister, you see Mustafa Fayango. No, Blasters in here, see a bet me a timini, you benya manager, bet me, am I a good style? You bet me a ball, you bet me expressing near who's a team no air cook on the new share, I will bet me a jacket. They are not looking at that aspect. So-called football people need sports minister, no ministry, no makabumna. Omuye ye wa Blasters sister friends and family. US friendly match. You know a cowboy against Mexico. Any US, yeah, you didn't go 4-0. Koheni power, sister omoko omu chance. Edu omoko in the name of Blasters, in the name of Ghana. See a cowboy friendly matches. Koheni power sports minister. Eshemu omoko. So-called football people, Shema, Omokoye, including journalists. And Tim Linya, Mon Canacre, Obako, but Tim Linya and Canacre, Tim Linya, Tim Naudi, and their supporters, he can say, Omogu, Yanimase, Omoball in your fair, Tim Woody and your papa, Omuntimia Afco, Tim Lydia, Bibi, Papa Piano. And yet, no, and yes, our friendly matches me winner, it's just a Blasters in Yadu. During the qualifiers, Ghana has said, go be one near sending your deans to be at the ultimate buga, and you go be at say, or Senka, Jitum, Yajiatum, ya qualified, but Timning Blasters Timning managers, esuto nye coach na kasa ntimi fa players omo sefata I mean players for frobia omo eye Ghana fo a yenim se omo local talent omo Africa experience omo ye Ghana fo bobo Africa countries ni bi ni Europe omo ye good na omo ni kamafo how national team ye mfa kamafo na free players national team ye based on merit or sefata no afre. These are not only Ghana talent. We munko anye Ghana players. Ye who ma omo nyade. Hilton team we ye who ma doing the qualifiers friendly matches omo nyade. Omo nyade. There's nothing good about these Blasters. No muni me say for Blasters nko. Niye ko jiskanje cheni. US for friendly matches we. Sika omo di man Ghana, edi share Ghana, any Mexico, edi man Ghana, di share Ghana no. Sa agent or you broker deal we and I say omo hwema sa friendly matches we pass no say sika no maji omo sports minister match in any players and Romania kugu Ghana any match yeah the national team Blasters is paid steady but the Guasian Kwani results papa ma capo ma Ghana should wake up Ghana should wake up Akufo-Addo should wake up president Akufo-Addo o sports minister ne o sports minister and Blasters and what on yet ni any sports and costume now will supervise ye and normal gym some Blasters and idiot say wait any idea see a Cote d'Ivoire a general we are through stage one we are very put on and we should get rid of the coach near coach or the different correct players because Ghana your players your talent.
Okay.
1 p.m. you better also.
Right.
I was Songo State. I was fire. 1 p.m. we now fitness no.
Yeah.
Choko for na Ali Jara no omo ejia enyem nwa omo sabe ejia. Ali Jara no Ghana ni goalkeepers.
Wow. Right.
So what Ali Jara da wa beti nasem.
Yeah.
Gola Ali Jara da Ghana. Adama has folk. Adama the national team Ali Jara. What in America say Ghana produce
almost bad in Ali Jara for bad in so songo e beda say what the songo stick brain and an op Richoko gamepackgames.com it was the Kejwan and Kasani Erica said body
the more carbon so at Badwam TV Badwam health tips so ne wiki mun komono ye breast cancer ko krameto fomo e di nkomo juada benada enne ye ba be signs and symptoms say you de ni nya kwan ba bonten de enwumasu ti say ye brewo a e endpoint homeopathic clinic na daroma e no so yasene timisro ye akọ na nenini nsa wo so ko hwe wapomuden mu e memma no prostate inde ya kam ze na komutiri mesro enfani agro e makokra mu ma no ho e magima nsan no warahye e ne ye bode wo fa no fo yi ho kokra no so ye memma ne dia 0244 867068 now the agi hu ni de ne keke next time opeso okwa no akona doctor check your man free maybe so many Dr. Florence Dede ete dwam Wokolebu Teaching Hospital breast unit ono ne penia odano dog enes we mo akwaba that's it and then signs and symptoms say kokram no tonofuma then na insenso de be ne ededie
okay nti commonly no yebeka say ubehu say asa ababi e wo nufu no mo ebo e kasa ababi wo nufu no mo ana ebi mo hye dan tiase nti ubeka say odo nsaka nufu na asa ubeka say ebo bi ana
badushuwa bi
bibisa yeka say lamp ana mass bi e wo nti odo nsaka wo say bibi wo ho nti say nufu na aka no aha say bibi abehye ho nti eno na one of the common symptoms I betumi atre ba ko biom so ne say ebi wo ho a nsuo etumi fi nufu no mo eno no de yade a ema bebre ewo a enhye danye bibi e ha adwen nti say yade a emfa say we hu say o nsuo tumi fi nufu no mo ba ewo 5 years 10 years and say na no en haye ba say bibi fufuro a hyase a na ne say ye hu say ebetumi wan hia na enye but ebetumi aye cancer titiri no say nsuo no eba no e moja ana so say nsuo no eba no say wen mmia kra na eno ankasa eba eno ne ne ya na e haye kakra na fe de utumi bi wo ho so a hu say honam no ana nufu na no ne po no ensesaye bi etumi ba ho nti nepo no be hu say ebi wo ho na ase atwe akomo by ma bi wo ho asa na mo de tie nti fi time a wo bo nufu no na sesa na nufu tie a ne ne nya de afi de ne no meka say yes ana na afi de wusuro but nufu no nti sa na afi de echo enim no maybe a week a month when we say hey after dey say no for no etwa komo eno no na say normal
no for no etwa ko nya say no for no angasa ne mo ano no
aha ba nim say ma bi wo ho no for no no e wo mu okay but say bibi fofora na say e how ana wo say bibi a ekre no asesa okay nti normally ma no for no e be kire bibi ti say no for no wo say be point bibi ti say e form kakra e out ba ho be ho na fe achia na ekose ana ekosoro ni nia na hu se bibia sesa aha ana so se honam no e bo ho a either say kro bia ba ho ana say rashes bia ba ho ana bi wo ho a bibi wo e friend say orange peel nti ase ekutuo e hu se na ekutuo honam ne tia na afi wo se abobo ase ntokro bi eno sa ne so nia to me kire say ye breast cancer ana bi mo ho a no fo na nkasa to me ye kese nti wo behwe na afi no fo ba kwa ye kese sen ba ko eno so ya de a ese me ka say mma bebre na mma bebre wo ho mu fu ba ko eso sen ba ko mma bebre enim sa nti ya de a wonim say wo ho de dade a enya de say hawo but say wonim say wo nufu no ba ko so sen ba ko na afi de wo hu say say ba ko ye kese na ba ko ye ketwa either way no ebetumi aye say cancer no bi wo ho nti we mu nia ye niama ebetumi a kire say nufu no bibi koso
no before a better sa na say cancer ndin ho agima na do state bi
exactly nti normally no by the time our symptoms no be starting no na e wo ho de daada sana me kan ye cells no cell dey ade a into me fa ye ni microscope ni de hwe nti e sha ase with cell ba ko na enyi nti na ya can breast cancer ho asema ye body rules enkofo nye screening cause screening no wo na wo kotwa x-ray if any say mammogram ebra nwa kasa wote ho hu se bibia po asesa no sa x-ray ni betumi hu se bibi wo no fu no ma asesa nti normally no ye ka say breast cancer se na ye kan enra no ye ni causes uni causes nso ana che say ebema prevention na iden kakra because uni say we na cause ya na ne wonye sa ba causes ne nhye dan ye clear no nen ne chese ne pese ye ne say hyasie po a ye pese ye picking in 10
eno ano no komani de say wo but ja emrenity ye da sense so into o chen behwe treatment ne say all types okay
ja hodo bebre
okay e de ye beto so ye da say ne so Dr. Florence de na wabo ye chena nyame ye adoma kan ye ho week yi mu nyina memme se 5 minutes per day ye nche na ye hwe treatment and the types of breast cancer na say wona hodo me da endpoint homeopathy clinic ase me din de afia amankwa tamaklo chena nyame ye adoma ke be se hia
Adom praise ye be him clap your hands and give the dance unto the Lord. Adom praise ye be him clap your hands and give the dance unto the Lord.
Badwam ahosepe so I say no near ekwa ni gisem nko because ha ye ni nyina head quarters yenda afia manko atamaklo ase so the health tips no abre say bosumi we mu de ye kono breast cancer sa no fo no hu hia se betwetwe ho nkomo afia manko anga say no waye ni nyina momon se afia manko Dr. Tio me da se bebre me dey Sandra or heme nanso adwuma entertainment nyame Adom Tigana for chemu a me ne guy no akwa ba na me catch you say na watching kwesi next week pa de me mo yes Adom praise na adwuma de kakraka de sei won basam de be hye wani ase me de hye wani ase wasum wanum ba bibia ye behima ma na broso na sansa akwa adwuma de kase a etiapo for so many years more than 10 years etitini bi asan ase say afi kwa edition no ampaya ebedwa nti enkoti o manum asem ye beda mase medical adamase bebre na yenti emrasisia.
Hello family, Govio Super here every time is worship time. I'm excited. Why? Because Adom praise. Yebehim is here again. Happening on the 29th of October at 4 p.m. at the Press Dome. This year happens to be the choirs edition. Adom praise choirs edition. And I'm excited and humbled to be performing or ministering with the multimedia choir. I want to see you there on the 29th of October, the Paris Dome, 4 p.m. Grab your tickets, 70 cities standard throughout 70 cities standard. God bless you, and I'll see you there every time. It's worship time. Hello, family. Govio Super here every.
Adom praise, yeah, be him. Clap your hands and give the dance unto the Lord.
for Adom Praise again. And this time, we'll be having the choir's edition. Reverend Foko Chamin is my name, and I'm using this beautiful opportunity to invite you to this epic event taking place at the Perez Dome on the 29th of October, which is a Sunday, at exactly 4 p.m. Listen, you don't want to miss this for anything. Invite your friends, your families, and your loved ones. Get your tickets for a cool 70 Ghana cedis for standard ticket. And you can also use the code *714 *003 *3 to get your ticket. Rush quickly because seats are limited. You don't want to miss this. I am going to be there myself along with all the great ministers and choirs. And you are in for a blessed time. I'll see you there. God bless you.
Adom Praise, yeah, behim. Clap your hands and give the dance unto the Lord. Hallelujah.
Hello, lovely people. My name is Pastor Edwin, and I'm here to announce to you that Adom Praise is live. This year's version is the choir version. So we're going to have a lot of choirs from major mainstream churches ministering. This year's Adom Praise is going to hold some recording artists attached to their choirs. So I'm going to be there ministering with City Praise. There are going to be a host of other wonderful choirs. Don't miss it. It's happening on the 29th, Sunday, 29th of October. The time is 4 p.m. Where is it happening? Perez Chapel Dome, Jolie, Perez Chapel Dome. So make it a point, come with friends and family. This year is going to be something else with the choir. See you, Adom Praise, yeah baby.
Adom Praise, yeah baby.
I was your mind why you ain't in charge more than yeah, but said 50 cry. But I said patronage and same for 70. 18 no class na bano abobo and I say better for no unsania. In fact, Welbeck Fameco, Welbeck Funia, man, and others, media, Welbeck, the IT, uncle, better revival. And young pa may share him no. Vo me. Omuntino, better revival quines in Mashada Kosia Agbajano in a remnants from 2023. The world. It's better, Midibeshiamo Page, Cedar Mountain. Quaff forget one conquer more premain. Or more dress, Assemblies of God. East Legon branch. It's my case this year, sorry, be our womb. It's assemblies. Mujenie, Brajo, free assemblies in Tino, yet need face your pay any assemblies of God Muhimsi. Brejai, a Benjamin Sem. CT Praise. Reverend Mensa Wotabo, now sorry, qua in ye, ICGC, ne qua in ye. Now, Omui. Senia omudi be face Reverend Edwin no. Bra, me just say me kwa no me ho kwa tete me in advance. Ko hon konkon ye na ade a wo nipa wo ne hwan. 29th of October no. Ye de be hia. Destiny Songs. Maker's House. Command your morning. Sa omo commanding it omo hu ye nwom fa akiri. Enti no I say no omo command morning omo command ya ko 29th of October no. Abajonsem so for wedding amache na sorry kwa ni I sorry as I say the whole Ghana omo theater mo hwesini na so my rehearsal ano kwa ehia ye nti no ebe ye huma me njeje ho no aka so sister stand wani ni asem e huma aka se mani ni susa enti no ye be hia mo mo ni efe grace ebe perform nipa o srefon dia wo brew because my srefon will be friend no harmonious choral harmonious. Me kwa we no maka me pesa me hype ni kwa we ope praise bi nyom pa ye Presbyterians no ye ko YouTube we me da ho enti me say be hu o life video my serve credit my save data no me nko ho bi me twe o on the 29th of October harmonious enti Pentecost we praise bi Methodist ye die nie enti harmonious omo so edi be sie ni style baby Perez Chapel host choir for ni host choir Yaye wo ho aye wo ho Archbishop Ajina Sari Sani ankofo etunyuma healing na ne nam no. Ohene mame mestre wo yare afabra ho wate we nyame be na ade ama na bro so kra. Eti host kwa no any for several years ayaya Adom Praise ho no for the very first time. Omo ba as kwa. Ah la ya be ya na makatons because yaba Royal House Chapel joint kwa na na me ka kire say omo edoso omo kwa as be 14 branch ene nei o makeka bom edi share o Adom Praise Apostle General Papa 1 papa me share no pepe emoji asori o free mu bai ya wo tonyo mu e mo de emoji ono ko sa wo kwa emoji na gasa wo kwa yi bi a medley bi a wa ye ya utim say D-Day no Royal House for no ehia be ehu forget e be ehu nya ni break many abrep e be ehu sa squad we no gospel favorite gospel musicians nini na o mechita afo ni o omui backing vocalist for no na akeka album atesa kwa your friend team eternity me so we premier unye share we aside say omo behu nyom no o dress share o e team eternity no aside say squad we beto nyom no o mbesa address share enti the rest ye konya me fie ni afa ye ho na ye ne nso de team eternity kweva bonsem mo squad we mo ye tight it's almost me home and Kofi Ampadu yes your host squad yeah host Adom TV multimedia Adom FM yeah host ni show for no yeah quite oh god multimedia kwa yeah jumedi yeah kwa ni into the home and Ben is joy news I get it get away Sarah Parry ehun Eti omuni Kofi wo so pepra squad we forget to say omo ye nye so omo media nye so omo central for omo tonyo mpa na omo gina hon eti no yes your host squad nie omo guy na hwan I post omo guy ishia ye omo guy kwa na omo dey eti no 29th of October dey ye be cool dressing ne ase cool voice the new song to what because PIWC Ghana asori omo ye praises pa ye Pentecost it is omo yi kwa na so omo no Adom Praise way more the new song omo ni pay siesta betonyum it was a pay we hit mo na PIWC Pentecost for asem dia ne so na what yem ka say where we tetelesta where we Jaina 29th no hene many a brief it in the 29th of October because Adom Praise Quas edition or money pay siesta the new song. Oh God, I'm pedwa hami because PIWC party pay siesta be shadia 70 Ghana. Efo because her squad ya come share esade artist a pepe so mama beji wani emrene ni kwa na yenye biem atese we akwa ye yenye kwa edition biem nti wo mama girls no mo fa mo mi nom popi nom omule mu ni o otiasi ne birthday gift bi fa ne bra o imagine ni 70 Ghana 4 p.m. 29th of October Perez Dome let's Adom Praise ye me kasa menya ponko because Adom Praise no ye be him manage nsem ye be him amanage nsem ti no ye kan pastor if you no bo for ye me the too much nti mon say tie invite no ye ba ye beto aso ye be him
to God, it's that time of the year for Adom Praise again. And this time, we'll be having the choir's edition. Reverend Foko Chamin is my name, and I'm using this beautiful opportunity to invite you to this epic event taking place at the Perez Dome on the 29th of October, which is a Sunday, at exactly 4 p.m. Listen, you don't want to miss this for anything. Invite your friends, your families, and your loved ones. Get your tickets for a cool 70 Ghana cedis for standard ticket. And you can also use the code *714 *003 *3 to get your ticket. Rush quickly because seats are limited. You don't want to miss this. I am going to be there myself along with all the great ministers and choirs. And you are in for a blessed time. I'll see you there. God bless you.
Adom praise. Yeah, behim. Clap your hands and give the dance unto the Lord.
No, me go swear to tonsa. Me tonsa me toto frefu bibia say mon fa mani mo nyama ho de mo do ya mo ne mo TV at na 2017 years no. Mon fa meta ye chi. Sanse kwase edition no emu epi. Now on that note no me sound guy yeah me ne ho agwefre no osmosis. Mr. Kweva Bonsema ken osmosis. Guy we too good. Wo nipa. Odo a wotimi de ba be ye adwuma ma me nti no. Nyame adoma a memne de da ye nini. Wo hia ne ho kani a wo ware. Yeah, Pastor Chief. It's me a na sorry, Grace Mountain. I was oh, Yemra, Mighty Chapel, Kaswaho. Say Yemra Metanechi. Osmo, I bet you want some managikum. Son say Gina, you have a babbit. So for Quache. Any Uncle Thomas. Obibia, and Pedu, Becofian Pedua Tonata, the call day Saturday. It was Moses. We love you so much. All the very best to you. And thank you very much, Pastor Chief. Say, we be, sorry, say, Yegina Yemba, some. Yememneda na sa memneda na yesi okumase ye nshoma auditions emrena ba enkwala na mo wo talent no emrena ba se memneda ne kwasiada da yanim we ya wo chena echi memneda kwasiada share okumase True Vine Hotel so at the age of 8 ekosi 12 otonyom ko abrabe hu yen live band straight up na ososo no emrena so se obehweren ye ka adwumade na boboso a ye se ya wonta adepam enso adwumadi a sopan yi ansa no adwuma aba na mabuni utifie kwa na hwa Adom TV kwasi ada bia hu se na sa metimi asina pane mi se na metimi kwa si bottoms ade pam so na mesu bottoms pam ene ejebe monka fra ye de kwase ekum ye de kwa na wie ye kra wo se prapra kwa ma miss godis tuba na nshoma baba so back to back na Adom TV ye de mam sanse wa ado eti yan hwa sani akwasi ada when kwala de nyina ba be skills I'm telling you Sandra Abebio and then a pam for it be see any kwasi ada na ade pam grand finale no jade abro hwe hon komo bra sisi ameba
Helen Apasipanga all the way from Upper East region. Hey, what's I say? Let's go. Wow, models are free. Hey, Helen. Okay. Caesar. Oh, party dress. Model are free. What I say? Hey, model papa. What I say? That's right. Wow. Our models are super talented. Versatility at its best. That's right. Hey, 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 hey. All the way from Savannah, Salah. An adorable kid. Wow. What's I say? Wow. Party dress. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. 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 Madame are free. Happy Christians in San Germany. That's right. Hey, 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 hey. That's right. Ashanti preaching. Emmanuel Abeka. Papa Taylor. Yeah. Model are free. What's ya say? Hey, 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 hey. I brought you papa. Hey. Modola free. Happy creations. Beautiful models. That is it. Ah. Hey, 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 hey. Mabi. What's your say?
Enti mo hwe o mo nsan no adwuma se na wo cheche mo fe no a wo so hun se kwasi ada de finals no se wani because o meji GS star spare ye host na ngasa mo fancha enti yesu ya ready say finals no ya be hwe aboafo so ma sne ma me de ene kasebo ni mu nsem hwehwe hwam ye bra we PWAC healthcare PWAC na say Dr. Mototi no wo ya ade ye pa mo 3P garlic mixture edro na che nyam na medi ho dance ya because edro na ye adwuma yi papa omo natural plant juice full of vitamins and minerals especially vitamin C no ho ehia pe pa 3P garlic mixture purely organic extracts good for yare bia say how umoje mu wakoma mu ni bibia sounds like immune booster kama say high blood pressure na how menstrual pain and I say high sugar level numbness titriti ya chechere wa meso pe 3P garlic mixture no bi no wo hwe cha kwa wo kaishi Kofi Sam & Kings and I think Sukumasi or Danny Herbal and Colinak ho nso ya Albert Sam Herbal Tac Radio AA Men's Sunyane Green Light Pharmacy meso for PWAC Natural Health that was 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 to WAC 3P garlic mixture but more than shane so say I was a dane ding no a glass bottle nimu ya ni tino eye kokko red garlic and a label shane so wan koto ye hunhunu ensuam wano but more than PWAC ni bi Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa Nokia Samsung iPhone smart TVs Franco air conditioning so aba horsepower na e kama wo de body ma e chili mu ye pa me show for Franco so 0246 422-338 and that's 0555-939311. They say quite a Franco Trading app, Google Play Store, Apple Store, ne baby BI or Franco Trading app. But more than amount sanke bi download it. Na de otobia no Franco for ensure. Well, be Kofi Ampedu am director. That hene so kan ho gon so director sa Obama production course Richmond Thomas, Mr. Quaver Sound, Esther Ann. Echimeni mama na made fia man kwata maklo ase. Me sorry swa ebusuafo akadoso. Omo de aka esomo. I'm the guy's queen. Wisham balls I'm out.
Adom TV Badwam na Oshano yeda sister Sandy be a guy yeda na say papa odi ahosepa na brain titu no efa Adom praise nyame yadom a 29th year day ehhehye so ye class edition no de ohia your 70 cities utria na ne medofo ye nyina ye mra mede nyame ase ba bia odi ye aba bedro sanso na de pam nyame adom wo mama ye styles ni nyina kwasia da ye de ba na wie ye enti hwan ne season 3 adepam winner no de uhia ne se wafidie ne daha na abenya bre na wahwe enti ade pam ne de o pam na fine enti just Adom TV ne multimedia can brands ne de afiwe ye ne mo kono pepepe ye de moni bagie na made bia mo fidie no ada hanti yeda mo ase papa na me wo ra Frank Heyman e wa head of marketing and media relations the low price masters na enede oh niema na doson we chese ampa o matete so ampa nti wo hwe kane bo no pa na ne bo no a eso obi anya bie afe ne kɔ na wie ye brabe tobi Thomas wo wi tobi now so sound dey mam kakra ora he man ye mo akwaba
me da me da
ye da se papa se bibia ye fine
na me sha o makeup room no na man me hu
na wa hu ye o na ma fancy
me say our family da jaw pa we dey friend big mega better
that's
na sister me fa akonya so na me nchia wa hwefofo nyina na Nyankopon hrawo se wo hwe me na no peyi e wo Adom TV na say na dey bia make no low price masters ejuma ye no e ahobrase ntiase no ntuboase enti ntia kese ma mu nyina
mo why there enani de di kan ya wo hweye ya low price master uti omudi na low price masters and e quality nso enani ma wo ha nyina wo mo bi ene dodo no obebo ni nyina so any prices no said the net here any one more so because that's all more clear near kofa fufurogum sa no mo ye nyese ne ma no e inferior na say nye papa na mom was what mo clear no de fufuro e ba wo mpe we na opede na obi abeto bibi ansana edana kona wie enti Mr. Man ya right
me da se me aba me da se na me sha ase no nyama no de do so enti on me afa ni nyina amba because hwe mu a 32 inch up to 50 inch digital satellite television sets no ye ton bi e wo low price masters wo hia chest freezers small medium and large size no so any washing machine nyina but me aba me sha ase no last week me ba had me sha obo me say refi ana refi
me dem me bo sha de
good low price masters the shebo ediso into other Roma free guard I will say no with the ma with the show low price masters
ya vi show
Xmas comes early for state here on behalf of low price masters no a TV guard voltage protection for Fijis any dia we using na enti ye dey che yeah sister if ya we dey be so ya te so
no ma te so kra enti me dey ni
good
me da say
papa yanko so sisi ade kan ni say you see pre-Xmas promotion 60 up to 60% discount bibia obeto e wo low price masters enye say na ye kan nyama no bia ba studio ha wa sha 2 slice toaster e wo hanom we no na nka ye ton no that's 200 Ghana cedi that's 250 Ghana cedi but because of the promo ninja no we get 1.3 that's 130 Ghana cedi
and you toast to bread would you share my plug ye share the way I open and no abie
that's right
and you bro no milo papa bi no oh fine
na say product a ye aba e friend aba e fofidie e kopa e buanso pa home gas stove 5 burners okay won say na no utumi fix na e cost ama exactly we no 5 burners a we tumi use we no enshada enye we air din so pa so e bono so da form na sisi na e movie pa me no be amanfo e to no enti e kopa enti misreo e na do pay say wo hwe yen e wo Adom TV a misreo say bombodia say obenya baako esiwu e bia wo 4 burner dada banya we because we no say na no eyefe esan eyefo okay good enti be pacho eno ni
we one kan ye price
ne price nkra de be won pa na nka ye ton no 1500 that is kada under 15 million but because of the promotion into no ye dey about 820 Ghana cedi per
1000 say na about 800
1005
na about 820
Ghana cedi because of the promotion enti me nua no ma mo hwe me bo modin aso benye because eboa pa and should I too heavy. Well, between so but 5 burner and say cocoa no wunu ana esi bakuso ana stew no si dia no
rice ni si ha
na
bibia be faster
and we ana bibia faster ma okay ebia iron a we use no what you see ache and me sure say wo modian say obenya baako na low price masses ye iron na ye ton ya te so we ye friend no easy way kita all the profiles no dry iron with spray ni na aka ho rotating ni bibia na nka first no ye ton no 250 Ghana cedi but because of the promo no ukita 165 Ghana pe obenya bi ato wo low price masters ye nema ye ton ni nyina no 60% up to 60% discount nema ndi do so pa na minko so na school for students hostel for no we no electric hot plate emienu electric anti ebia uni gas na ebia electric akra na we so entry too much because of senior no anti you say Westpool electric hot plate good life because we here ebia utumi manage single room ebia na we a bachelor bia na we school ni na ebia wako pay bi kakra bi bomodin so benya because ya teso na discounts no na ka ye ton no an amount of 400 Ghana cedi by see idea about 230 Ghana cedi by courtesy of low price masters. Umpewe
na opedie ebi wo hapa
gas stove exactly we look for gas no
just aye hu
exactly okay good I love that once a passion vibration
we need
a grey color panel Then you see LPG gas. And it's a high quality gas stove.
Okay.
And you per se we to be a bombardier so better because a boapa. Now we to me you see up to 6 years, so 6 years.
Okay.
They can show a bonus to the phone pa. Now a ton 500 Ghana cedi. But because of the promo in they about 300 Ghana cedi. And you buy a so yeah, you buy a showroom. What on us can be creator swan now they are to be being swaka.
Okay,
exactly. And with the 500 Ghana cedi or better way, no minia bema. But more than so be 300 pay. Now the account they are toasted and now they are toasted.
Into all ban ukra 500 bet men and never be to.
Of course, what I hit I say, you less than 100 Ghana cedi. When you be ato. TV guard see fridge guard am chair we say no. Less than that's 90 Ghana cedi pay. Na ke turn 200. Enti low price master is say agro na e dey.
Enema wa hapa.
Nyama no so bebre no so wo hodum. Okay, we so dey ye wo. Menka ho asem. Hey, ye dey me ase. Fufu pounding machine. Me na badi hu bi da. Me nya kakra ma mi yi na bahwe fo na ahwe because fufu pounding machine. Na say
cute to say.
If
you just say, oh, if you grab it, me, I want
to buy a fedodo, with the water room. I mean, na me yina,
it's a blender, no,
blender, fufu pounding.
Oh,
yes,
wow,
quality, wash it.
No.
And then one said, would you brought here any bank? No, that's right. And to the gumwa. Within 2 minutes, not a yam out.
That's open.
Exactly, send open piano. And this is the new product of the market.
Oh wow.
When so the echenso pa and chin sukra and to we are now opedia and low price masters. Near my fufu diaba, Nini now see artiso.
Where's a control with you?
Oh, wait, try on. No problem.
Yeah.
One say, yeah, okay, send me can be. A bonus on one say. A bonus on the artiso pa.
Price near.
Exactly, price no so na Yankee tono 700, but see ya dear. Me say, Nanke tono said, but so about just 630 pay.
Wow.
Oh, and to miss so benyebi. In fact, you had 1,000 pieces nearby, but the account is swap. And to miss we show for and some more than said, because discounts no one share an answer. A Samsung or banner, a cost Robert can say, oh, meet here, Michelle Moewa, Dominaman can be, yes, dear, yen tantro. And as a panedinam low price masters, the feeling is on and the passion is strong. By Katie of low price masters, many about.
Okay. It's any man a do. I won't see him saying chance.
Oh, okay. Means now, no problem. Your friend electric hot and one wow. It's maybe beer and we are stew, a sun near rice, it's maybe beer and Adom. And to me, kind of see cooking plates. The air is adjustable and it's non-stick.
Okay.
And sticky. And detachable also. Exactly. Now more pictures. No. When so the newborns who are from pa, they turn 1,000, but see 500 Ghana cedi. That is 50% discount by Katie of low price masters.
Oh, yeah, that must say. Indeed, and you won't want and
also. Your deep freezers for her.
Need answer at it. So,
air conditioning is so hot. Your 1.5 up to 2.5 horsepower. That is for the ACs. No. Now, apart from that, soon you have 32-inch TVs. TV now make kind of see here, a digital satellite terrestrial. 3-in-1 function. Which are just 900 Ghana cedi. Ubenya 32-inch at all our low price masters. Even so now udem no kakra upe 43-inch. And also no is less than 1,800. Ubenya being so at all. 50-inch no so bonus cost kakra, but it's up to 50% discount. Low price masters. Now, yendi no so menka I will say we sell all brands because we are brand sensitive. So Obi Baba can say any brand or penny when so you so you can make an informed choice once you do business with low price masters.
My contact
home theater since you to be ebonyum pa to meet base boom the bars many about now before contact no me can your showrooms I work because Yankupon Shrine Yankupon Dome for 25 years being in operation. Your showrooms in the door so almost 20 showrooms across the country. Uko Tamale, Dasaba, your branch, Ewa Tamale, Lamashegu roundabout Honuma, Hona low price masters, your branch no so work. Now Uko Sunyane Inswa, your branch, Ewa Honum. Na so before you know Chacha Monin because Moody Nadin ye, Momo Dian said in many so beko your branch no. wo friend no mess now ye were opposite high court sunyane second branch no so eben koko board nso eho no ma na wo ko western region nso a menu anu fansefo mpocho mo achi ye den sempa na every low price masters enti so home enyimi ya monko market circle e water de mo behu yen branch low price masters yanko water region so mi ato everto indina bikata ma ona yira milo egba low price masters mi we nenyo ta mi jagbagba mi va play no meho ahio no aha enyo ekekento ele ma usi ta mi jagbagba water region we have 3 branches mi leketa mi jengo ketasco na mi ho 3 branches Mauli Gate Estate, Mila Fuma, CK Road, Play, Ashigama, Never ye Hohoe, Mile Vodafone, Bijango, Vodafone, Low Price Masters. Yabankra, so that is head office, so now. In your megame, Yahamo, my yablao. Waka Low Price Masters, need watching no, but in na le, the way in and ale, watching only boba by he. No use a local to a home, Polo, and look of you, Okotukumi, Obanya, Bronya by. In a la cigar cry, I can't even she spoil she called by low price masters, Obanyoko Achuni. So opposite La Paz, Access Bank, Bambolino, we have a branch of low price masters there. That's our head office. Dansoman, opposite Alphabeta School, Dansoman Sahara, we are there. Tema, Meridian Runabout, as well as Ashiaman. We just opened our main showroom and our mega mall on the campus of University of Education, Winneba. So if you are watching me and you are Winneba, or on the campus of University of Education, Winneba, please visit us today at the North Campus of University of Education, Winneba, and be so glad you did, because this is low price masters.
Dada say, enti numbers no any was screen I say dada. Enti yensensi su be more mawa. Utime fra 0549852071 0549852071 and 0504323000. 0504323000 and 0247693634 0247693634 na low price masters gadgets electronic gadget BBA
that's right.
One more na
one minute Mr. Being so showroom. We have a very active social media handles. And to look on a website, www.lowpricemasters.com.gh. Book on lowpricemasters.com.gh. You have a virtual tour of our showroom, our prices, our brands and prices, so that you make an informed choice. And to say, we call you on social media handles, on Twitter, on Facebook, as well as Instagram. We are Low Price Master. That is our handle.
Yada say papa panti Mr. Bronya banta mama tete so 50-60% into koho na so kwaje de en we no nyase ba bi ba ko pe wo mo branches na bear over 20 no onyina akọ no ma so wo ka de wo to bia wo matete so titru me ka rush ne na so kopa de e bi kura de 500 ne be ko by the time we ba na kura ne ma mienu into call low price masters ma yeah won't say no best brain publication so ayewuma ahodo wa adwama so NACCA one more aje atumu ti books ahodo bi ti creativity, imagination, student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving and digital literacy, cooperation and communication ti yesro openguma ma o ma kenkanya bookshops bia mu bo remwa best brain publication for books no ubenya bi and our phrase 0507 200 200 and our 0504 200 300 best brain publication tomorrow education today Dominion herbal powder so eni ano pay se woni di ye na wo Dominion show ho na afi na okoto bi nso a de wo hia ye warm water no wasa powder no bi agu no anomo bra woni di ye enwumre nso saa wo benom ansa na wadidi yeboa wo yare bia because your immune system never form a na yare bi ba betina wo nti so wo kutia no a yare ebedi yare so enkunim bra wo de Dominion herbal powder ni bi edi dwuma diabetes stroke ana obi a wontume na ya nom Dominion herbal powder ni bi sanso na wo mo Dominion herbal ointment usisi kotodwo wa poso be bia ye oya wo do ointment ni bi na wo de atwi chemical pharmacy ne herbal shops bia mu uboruma ubenya bi 0543 158195 and 0249 591 0843. Accra Rupert Ventures, Nana Boache Herbals, Angel Herbal Shops, Ekut Pharmacy was Simon, Little George Health Shop, Ewotema, Koforidua Gapson Pharmacy, Delight Pharmacy, or Hene Nana Us could be, and so any Central Market, Shen Mubenya B. Home. Tony K Herbal Pharmacy, Tony K Pharmacy, a B. Hona, Fe Nana Ya Provision Store, Kennedy Drug Store, a Fe Nagiza Pharmacy was so many, Ubenya B. Wo 12 years down. Untumi nyusu Dominion for products and open for na wa wo breastfeed untumi nyusu B enti Dominion ubenya bi ewo baby a me fancy ha ana brema kwan na nkoma ahodo nne no ye de asie ye kwedi akwasinsia de asemidi kan ba na afem pensem mu ato aso medin de afia amankwa tamaklo
Beka akwasinsia Commander 6 Carlos Sediatia
Dabi abakacho se ye de nyame suro ye man hodo ene be som o my Ghana ye suro nyame suro nipa bi ye de obuoni ni die ne ntetie pa ne be kan ya asem ne ya kire mpanifo na wo so tie na supam atu wana mo medin de akwasinsia asemi de kabre ena asun. Happy birthday confirma Adom Ajiman. Please nipa you fra santimampo. Adom na your birthday. You wish you all the best. Nyame nhyira. No nyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. Nyame nhyira. And uluku nhyira dada. Kososumo my Ghana. Wakwenya wonya wo please mu. Na koso fa no kredie no. Ya yenim dada nfa ye adwuma sa. A beautiful lady from a beautiful town, Asante Mampong. Ti Adom happy birthday. Enko enfmao. Na meka manfo se nyankopon eya adomo on the 11th of November nana amanko afrifa ne 1 week ne ye 11th November ye nana amanko afrifa eye Asante Mampong dwanto ahene ya ofrim no 11th November na ye ne 1 week no. Esre se nyina meka o ye ka amanko afrifa beka Ghana mampani a obesini atwam kopani afrifa ni nwa akasa asem na make na mankwa afrifa 1 week no 11th of November wa Asante Mampong ye nyina anko ne nkota abusua echi emma enuanom abusua enka nyina nso atwensa erefre adofo na ejamfo nyina semomra ne make papa na ye ni na otwe edadie no anopai besa ewo Akosumbo Dam spillage no eso but a different level altogether. Dr. Addison, Governor of Bank of Ghana, me chair on pay. Me could transformation bini document bia from Monday na me ho dwuma ye. E dan mumru tu ya yesi Bank of Ghana for AC water crade no. A whole contract ni pay the contract na man no. Dr. Addison. Emianka se yanka. A diamond to na Bank of Ghana musi water crade contract na wodi ama baby a contract fe fa ya babedu baby a babedu no ye kuta hu krata ni nyina Dr. Addison ka se yanka. Monday but the contract ni nyina betuja ama Ghana fo nyina akenkan bi ye nyina be kenkan contract no ebi ye nyina kenkan ni nyina bua se eye contract be bua Ghana anasem waye ni pa nso am de contract so ba no ba bia ni nam ababedu ba bia du no e se Monday enka hwe se say Bank of Ghana de mun collisa why mun collisa $250 million na kwa yen kanwie ye o de mun collisa Monday Alpa bitoko so kaka ye nyina ho se ye nwan mu a akọ ahonyehia ewo bia ye bia kosomu dam ohaw aba omoso no ye tonko so enko momua eti Adom Brands of the Multimedia Group Limited akenwa bomu a ye ne Mepe Development Association se ye gi entubwa bia kakra bia benya bia famia nkobua ye nwanom ye omakwa ahonyehia obetim dia ba multimedia ewo kokoblemle me wie nso a me de mobile money number so betudwa ya betimi asane bi kakra so wo niema kakra nso a second food me ya pese ye ko support mu a wo de fabra Adom TV ana Joy FM ani mo kokomlemle fan of street niefa enko enwa modem because mo tibiam no enye me say nipa 26,000 you mo kan no emu 6,000 about you baby amo wada over 20,000 baby o meda cry asem. But you see, from Monday, you do command ya bo aban for echi. Debi abeka so o my Ghana be ye se bi enye ba akofo ana montuo. Ye nyina e ka obi na o man na betimi awie peyo na esipi esita e de amaye. Ye di hu ya o se ye nwan mo kosa ahoye hia we mu ba emre so se ye pese kire ye se aka no kredi akire ye ho. Miya ye mu bi atisika koto asase esi dan no enye eno ko weja na we ko ade ba bia mani pada sani entnan ye bia weja dam a ebetwa famsom ebesem oja pade ni pantie obesa akotena ho to the bia yeso sebi ya so ding to the bia so ya so ding free Monday Tuesday ya baba yeti ya di aban diama no but it is time say yeso take me follow so no yeso ye betwe yankase ho ni ye bisa o say ni ye yakasa so ye no eya na because me ya wodu a ya bo ho dawro ye bebie damo bagredam ye bebio na ni pada sani da so te bebie ote eni pefe pass bebie ameti enye but yeti o ene weja dam ase e confirm kakrai sa ko dipa na sa ko ji won makentensu dipa sa ko tena ho ye be sa ko akobie na atwa fa nipa so ena no suhum edwedifo di dwa e wo kwa ho ena mpanifo bo kokko se momfiri kwa no obi entie na ka ko twa edwedifo so omam wuye yem pelisa asoman sabi yentimi ntina na yenya hwehwani na yakase so timafo so sabi nifo wo baabi ani braba ba yamfa ni brale so anka no kra fa nkyere ho a yentimi correct certain things ani brale na aba no se yamfa ni brale so anka no kra bi anfa nkyere ho a nima bi o se correct na timafo no yenye I don't know say kwatena baby ni pefe pa say baby ese weja dam yi away we si dan pe abi ade no say ye bi dam ne na e betwa fa so still e to kwa da benya asase e hon kwa da benya asase e hon kwa ne to benya asase enye mi de hu ya o se mi nwan mu bi e kwa hu ye hie mu awo mepene ne potamu basa baby a wuti anya men kata mani wusu mu mani wusu ka se ye kata won kwa dabi ene ko hwe Medina wo free zongo jase traffic light na se eco market edwefo ne ye pam mo free kwan no o masaba etu ochina sebe nyame mpangu ni esi zoom ni saisi a ni abebo abai so bo biem ba yime no mie ni pefe pass ye ni dwa woka akwan mu me no mie no nim se ye ni dwa e woka akwan mu anam so free Medina zongo just traffic light na se now do ni eche market one mu a don't you obedi wo kwan mu asana wotimi akonya de ketwa because amanfo asa ahyomne ma okwan no ye is a digger. Who can the politician is strong to know not to for a bomb yet to Ababa? Say, not party organizer for hey, MC wouldn't quite fast so you vote for anybody now. Why now or more? That is our challenge. Ye challenge no. But there be a catch of me say. On ye SCA Mampanikoe. abrosu abese $10 million aban be spend dia omo mewu wo pra no kro no we mintimi mfa saa no kro ensio eti ka to se ba bia wotena enya firi won ma se nya se yetan ye ka to se na bia wotimi save one kasa wo life because say man pani ko yen ayire sua o man spend be $20 million ewo mo omo mewu omo me pra omo be yare man pani bibi anya no yesu yentu yesu yehofobi yakase yenyintum se ba bi et no enye yesu yenyintum ba bi et no enye the company from premium something yaboko kosa the BM say Ghana Water Company Limited except wage dam yi ye be bia den krata pia bonten ye kan news mu ye kan be bia ye kan no eso ni pada se ni free ho da this ye bia man so na twa fa ne so ene ye ho sa anya mum ye nya sa why politician there they always be politicians. But me no me no ono se ye safety e hye yankasiensa ne ka kire on say enough is enough, we can continue with this eko o man ko bra santina pan for krado amni pense mu to aso ba me de medical ka kire me nsuro nya me nsuro nipa ba me de oboni ni di ne be kama asam ya kire no tie na so pemato wana mo enyine na ehwo so no man be ye dia maye me di akwasensia o man kwabra sante eto so semi edika
da akwasensia se so dia semi edika dia bra na bibia ko kama bigeni se so bibia ko yi edema maka cho se adenya cho sa dia de se ye de boa o man wabusua wanka so wadwuma o ye no wanka so abrabo no wadofo no is very key. Very, very important. Yeda Kel Charcoal Toothpaste, Edmaku Samara Company Limited, is another quality product from Samara Company Limited. A portion of the airport was a JBD and a body tree. I can see a near bear for Quanso and the DD Juma said, be a CB fita and can be a free and mobile. A becona family holding yes, and I holding strong crab. In T Samara Company Limited, one of the Kel Charcoal Toothpaste so about. St. Andrew so chaos one go so ma kwanya sa kwanya o apeso ma entity or SHS boarding say sa kwanya no e ho e de ma onu krabata bi wasen fosu akra anafe ni odubi ase dunko ono free mankesim shama anafe sefi asanwele so afi oyo obi a wo watchro so hwe BC a wo hwe ni ma still bit me apply na onya kwanya SHS 1 nim free one war 0244 6969 11 and 020789 1004 na what me do juma atwa so mecha abusu afre wo ahafu nyina obia mecha mtitu Alaji Collins down there your wisdom pot the man for Erikopoku a potential vice president Almighty Frida Prempe, a chairman of Quanso Kuso na Nimian for Benjamin, Anafi. Former chief of staff.
Incoming vice president.
Oh, wow.
That's mine.
Okay. Ira Bobi and Sanso. Bobi, Ira Bobi, a deputy sports minister. For also a child. Banner. Ira Banner. SUTF not on your child Quanso.
Nine MC, I won't chat.
Kumo Macha, Kumo MC, Macha, no, I mean, you're digging. None of our mamma was that Uma lawyer Quenya and I do obey me on pay Wadaruma. Now, no question, then some the comments, member. Very much fortunate work could you? Correct. And pay matching.
Medical director, professional. Professional.
The other one, you very Miami. Means so sooner. Aba himfia ma aba yense bebre eji tu preko pe na mechi awache be mechi akwanso nkoso kra ene ade hia mo kwa benso mo so ya chia mo kwanso nkoso kra ya baba akakotia star boy wa anum sei sanso na lechum be man so e wa anum sei ni na ye nkoma ye di afa Ghana ho ma Ghana ti me konkan ma bibia ti makokama lawyer quick one again the door come so senka unya yanka yedi ho komo quickly the door come so officer what do you say the same
oh babra am say and my kind of mpra kakra was ekosi senso the fact say me say IGP dampare on say sane mabum kakra mayen and mo on say mo yes police for no agina junction so ne traffic ase park motor ne tete so babra ehia but as one presence wo bebre na hunya
omo presence do na hunya ahun say babra amanfo
fie kwa dwuma mu ko fie nkodu machi ne awia omo especially new areas estates awodo develop say wa ntu yankra ba bebrebe no ube fi wa baba dwuma da no me kana sampa no bi sende ne police extractor okofie ni akowia no ne police adema obi na se de kan se bi ebo etim ne ka
edika
ususie mu no se police for me ensan nan be gina traffic light as junction so de wo mo ndar traffic o traffic ni na wo mo de an se parking motor ene yete so de ba ko panyina ho na me ensan aka ne ko patrols within our communities and the median.
Wow, waka
yeah, it's very important
because I am produce omo is legal hills no. Do na eja ho.
Correct.
Abakrum. Nti omo chida ho.
Anya won ko oh, me say all the bebre. Bebre, me say mo ye dey e bia brenti ntimi nka say wo de ubie mu ababe. Nia wo de da cross da fato na mu say.
Iti ko mu ne mu maye.
This be one patrolling with because so be nim say me area ha me tie.
De bia ngofo be twema.
To be nam ha be nam ha. Akron for very careful. And also, Miss One West, you may ye come yes. Ye view my conditions, ye view no say be who call about my police in Finsi. Ya ba dia to, ya ba investigation enkwese hwe. Me say 2014, me from Bucha ba ya bu me kan ya wi am back me passport jam. Me di my police and then as a police over from BM after some report case na na. Finsi. So we need to prevent than to say better as madness and say akoye and the police for and the police for say enu. And the way to prevent this things from happening is let them I mean this visibility patrols no I buy visibility ni say me hu the police for na mention na nyam ne mo nya say mo jeja traffic light aseke what the mama ba ko bi a friend say how can I say SGSS bi wo mo haba bi what the journey road no ko asi ubodo wa hu go ba hu mi na mensa o mti moto gina you are one person can do that job. One person can do it. Ubedu Nima Johnson traffic light, baby, and now do feel one way then. Meanwhile, I'm not for come on. So I clear few but I'm not here about now. No, what yes, I mean, near no. And tell you, Obetia, Maka, them say, no come by and print and prince. I make
okay.
It's no one fan as because I didn't win your
okay, all right. Meaning, say. Akwati sta bo video akoma so
yeah video akoma so but meka miniature de ne kaka once asem na chum kan serious. The essence of police visibility is to deter and provide rapid response in case BBC na yenuanom ni gina okra me de me ya kesepa ne say they are just fidgeting with their phones.
Me see share back no timoto so go and no chat you kwabra what timoto so already moto no chat police knew
they are just fidgeting with their phones and not even observing anything in the environment. And this is because I think say actually no here proper orientation and training. So when you say wako training abana ya fana na keke na yedina ba begu junction so let me tell you of an incident that happened around Morning Star. Me person me go police ni need because me ni dim pa. Omugu ehonum no as visibility. There were about 6 people. Na ufi police headquarters approaching Morning Star Cantonment police station.
Yeah, Cantonment City one.
There are 2 lanes incoming lanes.
Yeah,
say.
Yeah.
Na edu enyuma traffic timichi o pa. The traffic na china yedi mo say no. Apparently now say road marking that formal. I indicate say wa inner lane no. Also say but the cars were obi akwa direction be this guy wants to charge let him charge us and take us to court because na the attitude ni kwa no enye policing behavior because I was expecting say even having arrested some people no and quickly no we could join no we provide but I'm funny who cry until you know it's not just about some big judge na okay nye de esese omo ye no so ana tese na chu mu kan no motos no be 6 5 mujina one location 7 what purpose and I incommodie ni ade so I think it's something that they need to but on coming to the simple thing I mean so Edamakumas I think is the issue of political leadership sometimes yen sem kai especially with the young ones no I think so over the years no more essential for more try say more boa nanki sanitize this space ni kaka but do baby we get excited over ourselves na ye can certain kasabi ni niama bi mu ansese ye can me ana ye me fair because on my matina mu show yi bi so ama me sorry ya me sofo afre me times oh ya asem mo ya o kan na nsese nka o kan sa but what happens me ni chum betan na bi ogege me ana odi mi ko wi me nipa na nkasa o ba me su chum keke as example
me wasan
also is a good one me ma me kan nipa ba ko fo nko so now ko kan de yenka sometimes I'm worried about say be say nyame so mu kakra edu baby na politics ne kwa na e time e wo ni so kasa na sometimes ye can be o emfa kwam any the way sometimes you did sometimes look I can give you an example. There's a guy I used to sit at a joint with Deko I think we been a to ye nya odru nyako na ma to adiwe ebem I was there guy no you be on President Mahama close pa. There was one evening he came and said, oh, Charlie, when you saw Luman use phone webi. Minyanka auto cover webi. Na o de mame na medical chair na me catch and say, wo na de mame say, me fan brand. Fast forward no. Another time ni kweku bwan ti asempa. Wa oni kweku ni nsem candidate. Na kweku tugum sa. Na msum betisim ase akoyi ne joma ma muti show no. And you may not make na penos oh and then one yard you say what tissue ne so okay can on na many uluma at you also today our friend is not doing well at all so sometimes and yes ana I a pen
me say man just na 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 ta come there
also today our friend is not doing well at all so because what you treat me akojina baby and sometimes we need to exercise the problem a bit. We need to be measured. So,
sometimes the heat ni banu anya mutra what you fast mom and then banu anya mutra what you fast but ja say me kan na e ba no asan
or say ba no eti message sometimes we need to be very careful. It's about issues. Let's debate the issues. So I say me ne chuma betina so kasem na asem no ebro minim de so a say enu ntina nyame ama menyansa hu se minu ana asem no kan inkum but say me kasem so na ebro ne de so a ono so hu asem a onue kan inkum. It's about that.
Okay.
It's simply about that.
Right,
it's not about
for this wonderful intros now maybe me add up to a conversation I met to us. Me kotre ikusi sense ko kasa about VRE. In fact now me everything was summing up to a certain level of negligence and neglect. Jading Komona quickly, no more a brief obi about Omunioman, Yomanamon, 2 or more, 2, and all those things. Then, to start with, let me say, per what the commentary that they've given to Obi and the letters that I have seen, I think that Omo taking the needed initiative as a sort of day. Me walk through, we are not challenging women, now for their bereavement. One, affecting so Obi could sit down or bear any quality sit down. The assembly, the community, the powers that be. Haya mabibia dano ye wie se adwuma no e hunsunsu so no ba ye besa kasa enkusiaga so omunche mu edi kan say the last time omu bie sa akoso munsu no 2010 ana bilibia dano wono wa agina tuku ho no ma enye sa afi na ye bebi nso a enu nti na ye be set up in the committee and say there be e bilibia dano omo oku a ye nananom ka ho assemblyman for ka ho DC for ka ho regional minister ka ho VR impen for ka ho security impen for ka ho it's like almost everybody is involved so that in case of any eventuality no sankofuku ya bekwa de urodi ama and in this case they issued 3 letters prompting addition one honum about sa anamontua omobitui. And it's the usual mantra of the Ghanaian. Ahaya niete. Nyashi we kwa obi enu baby oh we dey to me fetch and to me fa go baby and then sa na mano. Enti omoso omonim die no they created a safe haven. What be possible? Mostly insurance any school as dying. Intino, whatever the case is, insurance based the enkurana and could do sa and pempen so way. My next question was that in creating that safe haven, no, na mo agni facilities sebe kwada be dwade ma titi no kwana de bia me ade ya na masemi ya ma be dware ma sebe ombeye omo yi and all those things.
Sebe ma de na
and their reliance were on those facilities, safe haven, assuring the toilet and bath, school no toilet and bath, which was extremely limited in number.
Correct, yeah.
Eti me dey say eya afenu nkomodi Ghana from pamcho momenti na me pese be have this conversation because any braba
no there be say can issues no
na me say na me pese because any braba e say ma me ne papa no ne ofa no ne man you settle more calm down so that now we can say to ourselves say uni bia de hie bia be ba cement na sa hie ni ma oba so de no e be twa so yen ka say be jaw say continue because e jaw say tena on so kwa be de e be ba e be twa so. So whilst we are asking and telling VR4, say, Ampa Muku, Adansi, or Matro Krata, Baku, Miensa, Kokobori Nana, we are also drawing the attention to the fact that knowing that these are the challenges that comes up with Mubi a year dam now. And Susan Soebano. Mikro the man, you know, I said, come as a mine for mining for the
settlement.
I say, as I said, yeah, go for a Pamu in Efria, and there should be a permanent settlement to be at the cost of maybe we are near buying Cabo Mukra, I 2-bedroom or studio apartments, you quickly buy in Mona, and Kofasa, you didn't Amba. Any another matter for discussion. But truth is that there was prior notice enough.
Okay.
2, the safe havens were not adequately enough say ebe provide ebe cater for certain essentials and number cat say baby and all those things plus other matters this conversation supposed to be there account media no
all right
say you hear asoba because as we speak this morning on Adom FM me te say me nua ba abna pokua ni wage settlers no on say insurance settle esa beba ya pam omo fi ho assembly na kwakutu na mo apa omo fi ho they've come back to baby I catch you say ensure the best say on your ma wo ye e bi kura fe no mo akoji 2000 or bi a provision shop ensure be tua fa so and so still so we are all at a crossroad now. What do we do? But let's start with the case of the VRA so that we can get the situation well. Yeah,
I agree sir. Sometimes when certain issues come not and you're very clear enough the responsible institutions should come up with the clarity so that the listeners will be well informed or the viewers will be well informed, as well as because the purpose of TV radio is to educate and inform. And this amendment you want to become who said what further and better information to the American, you provide it either to myself or to you, and then now you're the accountability.
Exactly.
In a very nice way.
Yeah.
Every single day we learn. Every single day we learn.
I'm just getting the information saying you should cross cemetery say oh you know funny
problem yeah I can about
beat
enti o can be say ebinuma ebi ana wo makọ anaso masisi adan ba bia ensomba
yeah
ba bia asamra no ye push the kese wasi dan wo kwan mu ye bebu atu agu aye nkran tenie
it's true
ba bia e tata wo wo na wo kwan mu na ya ba tax force wa bebu wo lu bi agu ya ba you say na nkran
you free massa
nkran tenie esakra obra wo de mi so nkan wo de ko hafo ya horo sa hafo mu areas na ya yi ya kwan to tim na dan sisi ya bi ezia na ya ne sa
baby wo nko yi
ko explain insuo ni bi aba ya infisha du mi ensani
de nko
enipa na wo se nkuro no na the north town, south town, central town, cat town enipa na wo 2010 I increase it as to 2013 for 13 good years.
Increasing more.
More. Adan ani esi in 2010. Increasing bebre na 2023. 13 years. And it is an effective bar and it is a 2010 year. Ebe kwaso bebre. Ani ba ko. Number 2. And now make asembo asempa ani adum na me san kanwa. Anema mienu bi was asese Yakobon boy ya nipa ntimi control no. Insuo ni frama. Insuo ene frama nipa ni wan wode a obetumi aka say ye be control so on fa ha. E be say na say na insuo to aka nyiro bia. Because your gatas be brave, you know say be Moses. Yet your gatas be brave okromu a. Na so insuo okreti ni kwan. For fire office happen one. No ha. What ya wash so go from akagram na wade. Baby open offer. Offer baby open bia. Ti mo se bi na mo so ba ko ba wohwe go from kakra bu ano. Mo se bi atene kwa. Na bi onu akreti ni kwan. Ti nipa ntimi hye no. Wo hye na ba bi a hye no so office ho no, wo ba na ho wode buru so wo ni butugu. Se 20 bi bu nkrofo da ntugu na bia ne wo.
Usuhu na make me wo na buba.
What I say? So these things are matters of importance. Yes, I can be of here. And they are here. So me who video be no najo. On me am seeing on the film upon the post. Me am shame. Alright. And so now you had to be down roof. I roof is hey. That's why so you never go.
Yeah. As any part of another problem.
So the issue is that say nyampo ya adom na fa se bia be na wotwentem na wotwe mienu ntem insuo ni potwea adan dodo na ra
condemn
ye mfa biem viare and seven and so wo masangrofo aban viare I mean we haven't been at the energy ministry for I know them. They are very organized institution in fact
viare
yes a very organized institution, very organized, and they no kwa na metu chamo but I know them. A very organized institution. One more year, oh, I'm telling you.
Wow.
A very organized institution. And I'm saying this because I've seen the way they do their things and I've been around them before.
Good.
So I know. And I know, sir, and maybe one by for me, dear. But my encounter so back for instance, it's the mother of them, which is the government, must do a bigger version or must meet them in halfway for us to make one. Meeting them halfway, be say. The American to the way you come. So, in swear you have from me that head, so really, yes, I tell you what I said, no, but so not make about trick. And so you do that roofing level. Automatically, then they won't be a echo. And so, about channel, now, the hour of says, Sabi, you won't me, my mom or men in some. Uber commandant, do not put your diet, said you were a yet dear, a yashias, 2 boas, your man, pillars near Iron Rose, I do. And until you may be do now who are doing in your beam. Some may negligently take the risk or better turn them back. The only option beyond. And you see that danger that we are also going to call. Because I turn them back. Then you may another them. And I do from a big bomb. Now was so done a crabia. Oberton and Nipper our demo. Evan says you and so you before our no. And I and so be a bit not anymore and Tamadana about to. Now, I find another before we take a free crime. Since I cost most addition to our one, I was willing to put out and obtain a for FS. Let's be a bit proactive than being reactive.
The word is proactive.
Proactive. And the only way we can be proactive is say, and then enjoy your form. The question is, having created the safe haven, which is a temporary place, those who are going to lose their properties permanently, what steps are being taken for them? Because some will lose their properties permanently.
Such steps should be taken by who?
It should be taken by the central government. Because at the end of the day, I didn't have a talk to my before. And your welfare in the central government. Mean to me yet, ya want to mean yet, I want to mean yet. And to want to mean yet, into the ya for me, a man said, the January or the Nawukita. Never boy. The board of boy and the year catcher said, one will be my abomo. I buy weeping through the VRA, a brand new me with up. Incredible one, no woman be no being soon as some giants in swimming around a casino, including your beta. Today we say to him. But to women in Tino, I buy prepare and as a true the very not prepare baby. One more ecosystem dying for air, the animal or more. Simple houses like 2 2-bedroom, 1 near a day, simple houses. I call Korebi, I saw most of them. Jema, as could be the Jemania that those areas. Yes. Okay, Emma, you could send money in Anibino can be done temporarily. At areas I wouldn't miss a shot, so I would sign be so be more. They will not be affected. Tell you. Areas that wouldn't sign be so be watch because you're in 2010 and then the years challenge here, doing money. More money, you said the next 10 years be a sign could be a more. Now you sign but trans be more. The account of 2013,
the same thing.
2023, the account and I can be the next 10 years or whatever. No. It should be once and for all. Having created a safe haven, said the wow can you? Wouldn't miss any people now. Or about Trabro now. A guy was oh, Abia President and I quite day. Now, President was on the woman said I am room.
Never get to ABF from say back with
yeah, what is on your baby? You know,
because you have a second
sanity. You know, it's in about do about the room, and not less than 50 maybe in one church. Okay, woman, woman. Any other but that's a dime back when there's a sun down back home. And such other things were not provided for them. And I know them to be so much my far better. That's what I'm telling you how organized they are. I know them. Who do on working premises, you will love it.
VRO.
I am telling you. Who do VRO for working premises and I can say hand me a juma. Who come better so more. I'm telling you. They are neat, they are organized. I know. May come because minimum. I've seen the likes of Kirk as CEO. I've seen Kwakwa Otri as CEO. I've seen most of them. Yeah, I mean, Jamaica.
Who is the current chief executive?
I don't know him now. I mean, the current CEO anything, but I mean, at least one more at a time. No more honors and Jamaica. I've been to my home premises. They work with the my home, my covina nemu. What are you saying? Damn nemu crying. And they are very good. I mean, they put me any from them. They are very organized, so I know they can do it. It's yes wrong. Sabi dem, but if I say do be no be. A sin. But a sin here na ya twa no gumu so yin. Immediate steps about man take it. Now ban so more. Energy ministry na say ban through energy ministry. So assess them. Na be wo ho de ni be do mutimi contour entrance. Na ban na wo ne ho de si yin na no. En so mu enfempia ho. Na ne ma bi o behia bia mo mutimi atena ho. Te o sense no betwe. O mo famo but enu ati no nso. Government should take steps to ensure say one more party and woman saying can be because see I mitigated that problem no they will go back. I'm telling you they will go back to the same place because we're not option be to be all permanently. Okay, so the only option is to go back to where you were earlier. Okay, I want to also be in zone one na asama ban hwe they all can additional me the one you sabi afunu ya de share yes omo omo nka bi jemu
omo go hospitals
omo nka bi jemu ensuo na ba. Do you know the effect that I beside the yare wise?
Okay, ever see how I know it's too much. Nice.
In Tions and in chi na ulman di okoka ye yon se entwa yi.
Kra.
Entwa yi. Cause we say mama tran bobo so ya kire wi ya eye bigger problem. And when you see who ma yeni so beba. Na be ka bi bo ayan. Was a montantum mamintin as a montum mamintin na the canon quite a coming.
Aye, kitri bi. And for to be a gossip.
What the church say? What the church? What one can you? Yeah, but it's yet to be near second. But you can't so sweet. General, that's also what you trying to say? Can you say can you? Answer to can you? What about
can you? Oh my, I said we buy no. In fact, the interesting aspect is you can't have historic antecedents. Oh, a few ways say ABC 2010 ABC and Tiana Bissam say in all these years as I didn't see no. What did we do? Is it that you can say something you can and asan babe 2 years nana. The other question we must ask ourselves is say we need the chat war BBC ana. That is also an answer that a question that we need to answer. Say, and yet the chat one so then what are we going to do? Say, be ya yen samban be jina sa position ye jina. Ebi kwa na dachi bi die and okwa be
west. The team
no. And what are the mitigation factors? then na ye pese ye na yetimi make sure say that chi bi no say nkoba ni say bibi say si a ye nya nsunsuanso a ye nya no ene no. For me that is the most important argument me feel say I was say yen as on mine ye started di sa nkomodi no. In fact utie safe havens semwa wo kan ni de mini atwuma kan yen kwoti adurumra eno ane ahan so what I say na enipa nso a ekosisi yomodan wo sa mia ni ade nyina no. In fact utie even VRA for conversation ni akokobo amode ma omo simulation exercise ni ade omo ye ya uye ni nyina yen kemfu a nipa ni tu ana otu akohe. It's also a thing to consider. Ya yen hwe han ma nipa na ba betina ho no awie. Now yes you want to na nipa no didi ye ni bibia. There's even an important factor that people are not even considering. Ye nuanu ni bi wo niama hyehyɛ omo pass kwa ne ade omo som ne ade to them no they are not ready to relocate them. You see when you are handling a project there are certain stakeholder considerations as a one year we are no matter what to project and succeed da. Eti niama bebre na nam so ma ye nuanu na edin mo omo kwa say ombetu efi bia na omote no e de akọ baby hwe onipa bi wo they so believe in tradition to the extent say baby a yesie ne papa no opese ho na yesie no etu koma nipa no offer kraze ne wesi abronsan wo different location amane so nkokra wonko because obeka say opese owutu ne nana no mo den sensa se so
the buidia me kan when me man say buidia me kan na obi no cemeteries communities in Badwam cemeteries they asked government then said they want all the bodies to be assumed and be taken to where they say they are going to be settled. I am telling you, I'm going to a fooling in
So I'm telling you, people have other considerations and money is so difficult for them. Now, didn't you mechanics say when people start creating such communities now, also mine quickly, you know, you're rising. You see, on Monday, Adibako I made a master do or even ye quiet party kakra say ubetimi to anamon be 400 kilometers no we share some small village be with a group of almost about 40 to 50 people omati omo show oko anyone so almost about a kilometer no asan ko share another set of squad be 100 be no almost omoti baby atiti sanya man baby so no ma ensesen kebanisa emre almost started so mo yes then you know why this thing is so important. In the end, now they begin to demand for amenities. I will say school call, obi here school, sa small cottage na on we creating no. O here electricity or honum, o here insure honum. Na e dia so die kese abeto district assemblies ni so to the extent say now say district assembly no etimi kopeska no twa kwan echo all those in grand kitin na yate no so what I say no timi twen kane akoni nyina no timi di nsuo ekoni nyina so oman so ye oman ye niska etine dia sudie kese abeto ye so etime dia me fele say ene dia baya ye di hu nkomon ye ndi nkomon ye ni enye nhihye ye so that we are able to avert this in the nearest future say ye twen ni nya dey ni ye twen me nsuo na twen amoma go back to baby omotino. Exactly. There's nothing different. Exactly.
They should find a place before it's too late.
Now at this point it's too late. You see, this is what I said. This is a mine. We are struggling with resources data. Are you saying say the government is in a position to now resettle all this number of people? But that's why the answer is no. Je veux dire ça ma copain. Nana muntis kazo na mutana mama mkwatire na. Abaya ba ama ba onya bote. O kasa mai dinti ana oti nya bote. You see abaya ba. So what yes and you have to do some pemping so you do. If we cannot have a honest conversation say this is the way to go na ye di ye ho abro. Enti na make say ye nkoti eduro bra no ane ahan. Won there's something that we need to do right. And mamin tie in with insure yiyi wo mantem muni ade hwe anya say metia make say bia ye mfiche bi nsi o akwatia fia me ne o kase kwa on 2 occasions brem ne yia bankofo fie on biso bi onim bia yiri ba fie etimi yi ba fie mankofo
se ne kwa no nem ne bebe na ase no
o den akwatia bo adua ne nko brem ni timi yia de ba fie ni ade ame ebe ha adwen anya o kwa kede ni ade bisa obi onim bi obedi ho adanse chebini ni mpate mo si no ne ade nya
chebi kwa high court ko high court you ko high court
no
I'm na make.
So the honest truth is say it's about time I made them feel say NADMO they should move from those reactive measures.
But they should be well resourced.
And one me ban they should move from reactive and now can say well resourced. They should move into a research-based institution because now I can say on my baby anywhere in so yifa many yenim.
Of course.
Yenim now already. So NADMO should go into that research-based model no. So that unim say ebia Bagridam yebia these are the communities are affected. And you know what are we going to do? So what I say near quick fixes no. Is every time beyond abaya ko is always about quick fixes.
Exactly.
Is only ba na kwa wa na kan kete ene mu.
Sisa kete ne mu.
Near the Abram. Near the Abram. So
enchine akesi ni.
We must move beyond our limits, you know, and move into a research-based institution. Baby, in so year a fine, then some not more than a budget is shame. No, according to the solution of these problems.
Okay, so you see, Hanyanko game park for Hombra. Ye Pemula, ye Kwabasi, ye better also. By Damina Masimameka said the 29th of this very month, our Perez Dome, the Quas edition. Adom praise yeah they brought me who say ko Easter morning because ko that time no see and me my next year we Adom praise
send I was saying for me here
wahinzi fatawo Jesus
man to dey the soprano na bass na
to what so dey be a good pen man 80 ojame had more than 29th of this very month of Perez Doom 4 pepe number no 9 pepe na dey tata so hodom bra Ghana class, various class in an omoba, omoka, say, found in an one a baby digi mushroom, Kokrama, Etimia Shenyami and Munyam or Quanstrom. So, Mijini said, also by a crowd, so by a part of this, a mamma more phony be a bass, medica system, Bobin show. But in the number Saka said that Kel Charcoal toothpaste for us a quality product from Samara Company Limited, Apostles from Qua, the airport, and our face St. Andrews SHS. Admission still in progress. Inti kwa phone bi a one ba no Destiny songs omo bass the new song also bass Voices of Triumph also bass Perez Chapel kwa also be was Team Eternity so be was Harmonious Chorals be was Cedar Mountain Age so be was and afi City Praise on be was Royal House Chapel Joint Choir also be was Better Revival Choir also be was the multimedia choir and so ebawase Adom praise the choir's edition
multimedia
and multimedia
and no woman
no be film because contrary to regulations t-shirt almost yes I feel me share my pie I don't over check that lawyer too by do the chair and no wait one cow ga fidie we be it 29th jam ya do man mama yen shares na yen ko sepa ye ho awurade it's very very important. You may not know Perez Dome, 70 Ghana City. We are back to the studios. You better up non Kunobo Pepe partition so. And a Mumudu do also some person will contribute on this conversation of a year issue fine Ghana for your junior buying. So probably AD and common phase 2, the other team their film 0302-211-701 equity for a nipa enum on these water management spillages and the management in 177 and VR4 behind the scenes, Lawyer Chumberry Makosuka say one of the well organized, who says this, well organized, who said it was very organized, very thumbs up, when the sanitary, the Moya Depa, say Moya such an organized entity. And to wait my contributor to quite before so you know, I saw the Ubitimiku Yan Bisi Gata, now a far and a half, or no see the store. A quite in the double lane, or no for half, or the annual board. Was I the affiliate gata no go see the store ni wi e na bi twema kwa ba ya in so to na e be pem abo na anwa na affiliate gata na yi abako anim na twe abo na kwasa do abo na sa do gu anim so say kasa amamu a ampa political party figures no e ka ho na key but me no me no so we cannot run away from a certain responsibility they be ameka and the money we pay you because offer even Wisconsin kwan so Mia bebre ohonoma e nsuo mu nko and development that shall spring up at a faster pace. maybe a kukuda mienu any cathedral no nsem no. Ono chere say the cathedral is a national conversation. It's of interest. And it's very worrying. Say Timpa Abia Mampai Edishas, Eyaku Amanaya Sefem Kakra. From where we sit, our deductions in these resignations, the commentaries about cathedral, at the same. I'm sure say also.
All right. Amahene, cathedral near Kodia na.
Now will be your person Kakwas in the
no. Okay. So when near Kodia na, it will be free Bible once. Luke 14, 28 to 30.
Okay.
Or say, for which of you, desiring to build a tower, does not sit first or sit down first and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it? And the Bible, no, the question marks you.
Utrim pone will be sisa biana. So di kan sisi hwe. Se mo sika ana.
Ametimi de awie to complete it. The phrase ametimi awie. So Bible said you must sing akatua ni.
Akatua.
Say o shasia you must finish. Or say otherwise, when he has laid a foundation and is not able to finish, all who see it begin to mock him, saying, this man began to build and was not able to finish. I don't know the question or no I'm answer.
Oh, Lord, you.
But I'm going to do for safely for a reason. Me call law school, I'm starting my school somewhere British. Cobra. Me me nyanko point in time. Me modin wa but me wade am de share nyame bose. Odom me ma de saa ni so ade hu na me frase no.
Ewie
peyo na ba mu a. Ade sei ni sei na me ya manyame. Metimi atena akash nyame de nyame se wie ma ye. Ya tam na me tam. Yes. Me nyanko point in time. I sow a seed and did something after or at the end of the whole thing in Amasan ye a decision. Say a tintam and the tintam born by yes and so many members. National Cathedral. New mind gun and she say beer the mo. Nemo your man penny no in Yanko Point and Thomas say. What pre a conyana 1996 as one. A ba na tiasan opem na why. Nemo this time dear. Only your metentam. So dum no not zadie mano. And this was doing na kumaswa deal to me the dum no. Or no sit down as Yanko Podian Yam and no cathedral and also castle be seven. Mine. So when me address before saying at Yana, see a cassie basic down watching now. The first thing airland. When you land, you are the next level. Architectural design. And some how don't even how to go on foundation. On the 5th of March 2017, the headline, President Akufo-Addo cut short for the construction of the National Cathedral.
On the 5th of March
2017. No, what dear Konya was me, no. And the Kakra. So, about January 7, 2017, in March, the next wadi was me and Nakakra. And no cutting first sort, and I send a sort for National Cathedral. O mine. Sabrina will my cut a sword. Now you need a netting architectural design for National Cathedral. See, now we see that guys are sword cutting for a project, and then I will see. We don't even know how the design is even going to be. What's my sword cutting? 2017 March. Then the same person 2020 March. 2020 March. Nanado to cut short for National Cathedral project today. 5th March 2020. The first one I cut in and ready. Were you ready? that time. Cutting is 2017. Then 3 years after, what's happening? Another short cutting him for the same project. Then, anymore. 6 March 2018, Nanado unveils National Cathedral design. 6 March 2018. That's okay. Okatif, oye first short cutting. Afi. Asa na wohu na architectural design. Ah, ntia dan kwaze ne bayo. Ntia afimu na okate so de na wotwe dey. Oye dey. Nothing. But don't hear about because I want you to appreciate biblical verse number. They start here and say the preparation was not done. Ebiom, this cathedral in Nara. Na yes, a private thing. A buying and another and private. I mean, no mind here. You won't have a room. So you're buying a state asset or state property. It's a Navy Ghana. Yeah, TSM. Baby, I'm cool and I'm going to be on not. On about it, you want any few. If he as a minister,
you will be
there. You would then be a jabot to agree. They are not
ministerial building.
Yes, you and yet now directly opposite physicians and surgeons college, you know. Pay. The entrance, if you're an entrance, if you see what I'm saying. If you go. Judges are not two. Passport office, whatever, I can't not to go. And yet, yes, you see. Okay. And so, your power, I saw 43 1 year. I mean, I'm coming home. That's fine.
O mind the work Kenya. Nana de bia me ni chum betena show so.
Oh, see. Okay, na de can de hunya.
We wonder we the imagine my show, but they be okay, they na for see.
When ntin.
The work Kenya na o man
Yanko, enti
je sais o ka kwesi o dey for. O ka kwesi. Lamentations
we are not lamenting.
No, we are company for marriage. We
need to let the people appreciate
what they for so that we can make progress.
All right. We need to know where you are coming from. Having done all this, see the man one revealing one. Wouldn't me say the finance minister informed Parliament in December 2022, an ad hoc committee, said one man national cathedral 339 million Ghana cedis. That same month, Parliament, for instance, cathedral for a group, no, one more, what for saying?
Board of Trustees.
Yeah, they also want to meet a joint committee in Parliament. You know what they told Parliament? They told Parliament that the kind of finance minister be evidence by better of Parliament said. One more 339 million, and you know correct. Now they have only received 225 million. Which means that.
Amai.
Mami, so me try say. Would you come inside?
NDC for.
Me try say.
Oh,
come and say the you understand.
You could have. And of course, who are you? Amai, no credit say. National Cathedral issue. Yenuanom NDC for try some be painting picture be say eh ye for the personal
and personal thing.
Oh nyabote.
And personal.
Me ye din tie wa.
And personal.
That's what more about from personal to state.
Yes.
Where en fa na kwhye o hye bona chum gina obi.
Okay. Then you go ask.
Yeah. Because what now Oni nyame wo ni nyame tentam na ejina obi. Debi na wo ni you nyame tentam na ejina obi. Nyabote ni yemhye no we. Ni yemhye na ono ana. Oh my, no kwani say. Ensem ni bi wo na ye ka. Yenuanu person create image na man look like say Yeru Akufo-Addo any personal project. Enti ense say ebedu baby aba beduin. Yemfa ni say sasem na omo kan mpo no sa na tie a. Oman say wo ye sofo. Na so do ni nyame tentam say wo besi asori dan a. Wo si asori dan na say bi say your personal project. Asori ne dia. Meboa. So be di mampani na utu anamo which is of a national interest your personal project. And your personal project it becomes a national project. esi ayeke nyina ye kan wo ankasa kwanti enye fair ze wo ka say national cathedral na wo ya no abeka say ya Akufo-Addo personal project. I gave you that respect. I was saying how fair is because even if he go by the argument say any personal project in mami bisa o mine sempo no susu say nka yeru Akufo-Addo pese o si asori dan ti say ne Osofupeni Duncan Williams and I said the Miami Sofupeni Otabo esi o ankabana nko nsi dida. The vision change na nipa ne pese o ya dia e dey mfaso kese e bebre o mine na ene o ti o say because nipa ada so da say ye ade ne kodu sam pempenso say ya e dey mfaso beba o mine no it should still be his personal sanya twom na ye de ye e wo ya manyo sem no e moye oni say ne yetimi di nkomo e ka say anke sesenka state ne kwa finance political parties in order to avoid corruption. It is a who you be in order with accountability any pepe yo ususu say Ghana ko n'anima would you ever think say such a magnificent project no ususu so man peni bi emfa ni sika consider is that your thinking is that your contemplation
there's not been clarity and honesty from day one.
Thank you very much.
Why
it's in the letter.
On my time Adam is that also woman no society program no
so I want to do
ene no asofu mpenifo ya omo atwe omo efi National Cathedral no what are they asking for? They are asking for accountability and transparency. And no na make sure say it is such a magnificent project kesia it is no se bo da so da e wo trim ejiji utrim kwa say e wo so mampeni di ni bottom sikesia na wonti amemu ase. It shouldn't be so be betimi atena baby esusu say also man penny dey personal money because it is a recipe for corruption. So all that dreams are doing him fan a National Cathedral be across the world that you see man penny be bottom scandal be see
ye dey enka bi shi mu dey tie say o man penny da so da ye no na ni so ade hu odi bani ana mo mpanyimfo beka che say eni o man ni sika sem ni ayonkofo bia the commitment of man no much ye dey come no
much o say o man penny ani so ade hu na o say utimi so dai say bia o be si edan ye si we so man penny ani so ade hu ni say nko si chapel ti say ne ye Sofupeni Dr. Mensa Otaboesi and I said Duncan Williams esi ni bia Akabana within 1 year time ko esie but the thing the the narrative changes. The project has changed. The vision has changed. And I'm sure say enti senka eka chapel dan bi say o si chapel bi esiwa within 1 year time senka wa complete what I say but who nim say project ni be as say project na kodu ne kesi ya etie eni mfasodo dia do be bre on mine no
clearly man paying to go into me
clearly you know so man paying into me here it is if it becomes a national interest project now was so on mine me nka come on man paying what I was going to do at the time they say me anka mra vision no assign na aye kesi sa no we take it to parliament for parliament to approve it then we proceed on a national your finance build up. That for me should have been the way out and as a media men and come join the personal position and come me say oh Tiana say you are still assuming and I say oh timu publish o say na Yeru Akufo-Addo ni Nyankopon na cotton time yenti one fan the bottom sika nkosi a then the question is why would that because the truth of the matter is one gaza with you very perfect National Cathedral of that magnitude no enye bottom sika
that magnitude one ka son
and then you say and then what your mind mu ka bi mutimi ka say Israel etiminya religious tourism etiminya sika to this magnitude
there was no national discussion that was not a national
project say why should he there
was no national discussion
no discuss why
oh really but you are using our money to do it and you don't need to discuss with me.
Now most of the project
you promise us agenda one you see you guys are making mistakes. Can the president told us that state will not fund it?
Why nobody discuss here?
Oh my kind.
You keep going back.
Can the president said that the state will not fund it? So why are you using state money?
My question mama here and what's your problem?
We understand.
Oh this we understand. Yeah we understand. Me here no actually say the project has changed.
Has changed from where to where?
From the time
who changed it? Who asked you to change it?
Who asked
Who asked you to tell me?
Some are paying the authority in future.
Now he's working on our behalf. What are you talking about? Do you know? He's working for us.
It's a project.
He's working for us. Yes, he needs our authority to do that.
Joke of the century.
What is it? He needs our authority to do that. Look at the money over 300 million. Man wasting on. And you guys are happy.
What kind of joke is that?
You have wasted over 300 million. And you guys are happy.
You can only sit in your room and cry.
All right. So,
but you have wasted over 300 million Ghana cedis at the foundation.
What's the sponsorship?
No.
Now that can William says you put on
national cathedral.
That can William say when you audit, but can money.
And the tourists are born minus the first war bar. San Francisco never got to go around.
Mr. That can William say that can William say
Onyame adoma echina yebehia.